train roll on down the line. Won't you please take me far away? Now I feel the wind blow outside my door. Means I'm leaving my woman at home. Tuesday's gone with the wind. Oh, my baby's gone with the wind.
My baby's gone with the wind, baby. Hey, we are live doing it from the BDH. You know how we do it. We got some people watching already this morning. We're doing it but live on the YouTube here right now. Just getting ready. Alex and Greg, I don't know where they are. I told them to be here before 9 o'clock. Clearly they don't listen. Just kidding. They're here. They're here. Don't worry. They're here. We got them. We're back. I was asking the chat earlier what team we got going today. We got the team Alex and team Greg.
Team Smiles. Team Smiles.
I think we should Team Smiles.
Right?
Is that your team now?
That's my given moniker just from the chat,
Team
man.
Smiles.
Looking back through those chat comments, you guys are funny.
Alex, what do you got? What's your team today?
Oh man, I don't know. Team Hutch.
Team
Who
Hutch.
knows?
The Hut Boys.
That'll do it.
The Hut
There you
Boys. All right. Well, the cool thing is today we've got everybody's accounts pulled up here. Alex, looks like your data, is it still
I think
slow?
it's good. I think it's good now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Is that how you normally trade?
No,
With this, like,
I trade on TradingView.
Well, I know you're on TradeView right now.
No, TradingView. I just look at this. I don't even really touch.
What do you normally trade on TradingView?
Right now
Yeah.
it's 0.
I don't really touch TradeView.
That's weird. That's very weird.
Yeah.
Man. So we've got all of the guys.
No.
We're gonna be able to pull up their charts today, see what they're trading. We've got Greg's screen pulled up there. We've got this weirdo's screen pulled up there. We're gonna move that. You don't need that. Don't need none of this. Don't need none of this down there. Get rid of that, boy.
What do we put on it?
Just get rid of all of it. Don't put anything on there. We just want to see the trades. We're here for the trades, man. The trades. I'm setting up Alex's screen right now. Now it looks all weird. Why does it look all weird? The candles look weird. Why do they look so weird? Why are they
highlighted.
different? Why are the candles different? Did you do something weird?
I didn't touch it, bro.
What'd you do, bro?
I did nothing.
What'd you do? This is weird, man. Why does it look like that?
I don't know.
It's so weird.
Man, I'm just fired up. I can't wait.
Greg,
wait till
fired up.
9:30.
How you guys feeling after
Fired
yesterday?
up.
Who's
Good,
you
man.
guys sleep good last night?
I actually did. It was phenomenal. I was like,
Did you sleep thinking about the BDH?
I was,
Oh,
man. Like
yeah.
I said, I did the game film last night. I watched the entire
Game film. He
I
was
watched
watching the playback last
literally
night.
the entire live stream. I rewatched in 2x. I just had it on in the background. I was looking at the levels, looking at the decisions we made, looking at the chat because you guys are friggin' hilarious as well. But yeah, man, it was a
What do
good
you
day.
have to? Yeah, what do you have to say for the chat? Be like, I've heard all your jokes before.
Yeah,
you
dude,
idiots. There's nothing that you're gonna say that I haven't already heard.
You raucous motherfucker. Yeah, literally.
Yeah.
I mean, and I'm just such a happy guy. I can't,
Yeah,
I
let
can't
this
help but I
guy live. Let
smile
Greg
so much,
live.
right? Look at this smile. You guys
Look
gotta
at
love
that.
it.
Fuck. I wish I had a smile like that.
I know it. Cartoonist, wet dream, ventriloquist. I was
They hate
dying.
us because they ain't us.
They hate us because they ain't
They
us.
hate us because they ain't us.
That's it. Shit. There's another one for you.
What'd you get in? You get anybody hit the gym yesterday? I gotta get back in the gym. I'm getting fat, man. I went fishing for 30 days and I got fat.
Dude,
I think I gained like 20 pounds just fishing for 30 days.
that'll blow your back out too. That's some heavy stuff to just for 3 hours, you know, just
Oh, I'd be blowing backs out all the time.
Gee. There it is.
I'll be blowing the backs out. You know what I
Blowing
mean?
them backs out.
All right, all right. Well, overnight here, NASDAQ. What do we got? What do we got? This is the wrong thingy-majiggy.
Oh, just pointing out too that Landon did call out the 23.
No, I called out the 300.
Man,
I did call it out.
I think the 11-year-old.
Remember I said, I was like, watch. This thing's going to be all stupid, and then end of day, it's going to end up going to the 300s. I did say that. Nobody? Not even the chat remembers? No one remembers that?
Yeah, that was
knows.
Landon.
That's why
What?
Landon was looking up
Definitely not Landon.
soccer cleats
Definitely
today
not
because he got the
Landon.
money now.
My brain. Dude, I cannot pull up this freaking chart right now. My baby's gone. My baby. Boo-doo-boo. All right. That's not the right chart, but we'll start with that one. Right on.
Let's make some money today, huh?
Let's make some money.
Make some money today. That's the only thing I do. That's the only reason I wake up in the morning, boys.
That's why we here.
Only reason I wake up in the morning. I wake up, Landon, and I say, hey, it's time to go make some money, boy. Oh, fuck, I deleted the wrong... Did I delete the wrong thing again? I'm an idiot. And so I love waking up Landon in the morning because I walk in there and he's just so happy looking and so just living his best life, sleeping, and then it's just me going, let's go! And every time he goes...
Yeah, man.
He makes the funniest fucking face. What? He's like, he always goes, okay.
What do we do?
Okay.
When he's ready to go, he's here. He's gonna make some money.
Okay, he said.
I'm just
okay.
gonna copy trade Landon.
All right, there we go. We got our chart pulled up here. I don't know what is going on. We are getting crazy around here. Getting crazy. Right now, 15-minute chart. The NASDAQ up there, the 23,400. Greg is going to have to sell all of his goats because Palantir went to the moon.
Sell. Goddamn.
The Palantir trade did not go as he thought it would. Let's see. Let's just actually
look at
see
it.
how. Let's pull it up.
Would you just look at
Does
it?
your wife know about this position?
She does.
Does
I mean,
she know about this
Listen,
position?
they were runners, and honestly, I didn't.
Palantir 167. Actually, it's way higher. Yeah. It's at 172 right now.
Yeah, check out PLTD. My entry was like.
What'd you buy? What is it? It's PL.
PLTD. My entry was like 8.
Don't you know you don't short Palantir, bro? What is it at 8?
No, yeah, it was like basically $8. It was like
Well, you're only
$7.90.
down. Only down big, you know,
like 70 cents.
50 cents.
Yeah, not
You'll be all right. Yeah. Don't worry. We're going to make it back today.
Yeah, we'll brush it
We're
off.
going to make it back today. We're going to make it back. All right. So overnight, we see clearly 23,400. We go through the kind of breakdown, boys. What are we looking at? Overnight, we had this big move up. We got the gap to the downside. We've already kind of taken out that overnight, like that London high this morning pre-market. So then we got the London low down there, 23,311. We got any news today? It's sad that my 12-year-old answered before you guys
Seriously.
did. That is sad.
Listen, I didn't
This
have.
mentorship is not going. I was gone for the last 20 minutes. What have you guys been doing?
All right, I'm going
Nothing.
on to. I'm
Been
going on
talking
We're
all
to.
just
the time.
running
I
around
guarantee it.
like chickens with the head
I
cut
can
off.
look at the cameras right now, and I'd probably just be the 3 of you guys just running around in here, not doing anything. So we got some news. If you want to see what the news is, head on over there to onlyprofirms.com. We got the free calendar every morning. Check it out. 9:45 S&P Global PMI final numbers, and then we got the ISM non-manufacturing PMI number there today as well. So some big numbers, 3-star numbers coming out here today. How does that make me feel? Well, it probably makes me feel like I should be nice and patient this morning. Nice and patient. Overnight, we can clearly see that we got the what do we got? Oh man, I gotta change this on everything now. I really fucked up. I fucked up big time, boys. I fucked up big time.
Man, that'd be great if we got back down to the 312s though.
The what?
The 312s. We're slowly getting there.
All right, what are you looking at, Greg? Give us your synopsis of the day you're looking at here.
So my hope, since
Hopes and prayers.
we still got 20 minutes and we're right in the middle right now of the Londons, is I'm hoping that it'll drop down to the 312, and then maybe we'll have an idea to go long.
Go long.
Or I guess I don't know, consider the opposite if we get up to the highs, but it just depends on the momentum.
On the momentum.
But we're definitely looking at 10-point moves today.
10-point moves.
10
So our goal
Minimum
today,
10-point.
Our goal today for you is 10 point. No bullshit. No, like, let's get a little quick 3-point move.
Just a little quickly quick.
We're going for 10-point moves on min.
10 points.
Alex, what we working on? What we working on today with Alex? Let's think this through. What are you feeling like you want to work on? What's the thing that's holding you back?
The discipline. I mean, I made some money yesterday, so I feel like usually after I do that, I tend to blow it.
Yeah.
You know, like I'll go all the way to max drawdown and just reset an account.
True story.
So I'm gonna
It's easy.
Yeah, it's so easy for us beginner traders. So I'm just gonna size down and, you know, see if I can just ease into this market today.
Yeah.
And hopefully wait till 10 o'clock news. We'll see.
All right. I like it. I mean, I think you gotta, if we have like a really fucking good looking setup, that's when you want to size up, right? That's when you want to get in bigger size or at least like full size. And then those setups where you're like, I don't know, you know, you're not too sure. Those are the ones that you kind of size down because you're at least, you know, if it does make the move that you think it's going to make, at least you are able to profit and keep that kind of emotion down where you're not going to have that FOMO, but then you're also not opening yourself up for a big old loss. So
Big old.
we're going to be kind of just playing it how we see it. Playing it how we see it today. So we got some accounts ready to go. We got all the boys fired up. We got Landon.
Fired up.
Landon's ready for the news. What's your idea today, Landon?
9:45 shoots to 400.
9:45, it shoots to 400.
10 o'clock it dips back down.
At what? What?
Then 10 o'clock it dips down to like
At 10 o'clock, it's going to dip down, he says. Okay.
Ooh, we got the 9:45 Ripper call.
That's opposite of what I was thinking. So, we'll see.
I mean, I wouldn't, you know.
Someone's going to be right.
he
He's
is,
pretty good.
He's pretty
He's
good,
good.
man. I'm full porting to 400. Chipotle is on Landon today.
Chipotle's on land. We got 20. What was that? No, we got 17 minutes till open. Need some music popping here. What we gonna get today? What's the vibe today? I took my Porsche to the shop down the road. It was funny. I get there and I'm like telling the guy, I'm like, yeah, it's a little bit of smoke. He goes, oh yeah, these turbos they smoke, and I'm like, no, this is like real smoky. And then he looks, he goes, oh yeah, no, you got a big oil leak. I'm like, yeah, see, I was pretty sure it wasn't just like a normal oil drip. As soon as you stop it, there's just literally oil dripping down. I'm like, yeah, that don't seem normal.
That's not good.
Yeah.
Had a good rumble though
That's
when
what
you left
happens when
here.
you buy a 50-year-old Porsche.
That thing's cool. I like the matching keychain too. Wherever that
Yeah,
went.
that's the best part. That's like some guy who knows how long that chain's been on there. He might have bought that like 30 years ago.
Yeah.
You know, like
That's cool.
it's crazy. They're the like the Hot Wheels and like the little die-cast cars, like the people that are collecting that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
I've been to car shows and it's like they got Hot Wheels that are like a couple $100.
Oh yeah, man.
Yeah,
It's,
like
it's
special edition ones
it's a
and
big
stuff.
deal.
Like it's like Pokemon cards.
Right,
People
right.
collecting Hot Wheel cars.
Yeah. I was down a YouTube rabbit hole one time where the algorithm just kept showing me videos that were like that, where a guy was like, he was admiring his neighbor's car or something like that. So then he
Yeah.
went out and bought the Hot Wheel version of it and then left it on his hood and stuff.
Oh,
That was
I
good
think I've seen
reactions.
that, yeah.
Yeah, good reactions.
Oh, like there's this one guy on Instagram. I think he's somewhere in California, but he goes and he takes pictures of people's cars, and then like has somebody down at like the end of the like road, like through the canyon,
Yeah.
print the picture out and then like put it up on the side of the road, and like
Yeah.
people drive by and see a photo of their car and like what the fuck, and they stop and like look around and like this is a sick photo of your car.
I think I've seen that as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's an amazing, epic like content story of it all. Like people that love their cars, like the idea of getting like a sick photo of your car is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Has anyone came up to you and done that, like randomly?
Oh yeah, my favorite is they want to do that. And they're like, yeah, just what's your Instagram? I'll send you the photos. You can follow me. I'm like, bro, I don't want your fucking Instagram photos. I'll tag you. I'm like, I look at him like, yeah, go ahead and tag me, bro. Tag me with your 300 followers on your shitty fucking photography page.
Man, so when I bought a brand new Corvette, like, I don't even know, it was right when I got out of college. So
Okay, pull
it's
this like right here.
right
There
here.
you
Gotta
go,
lick
there,
it.
There you go.
Yeah, so brand new Corvette about, I don't know, 10 years ago now or something like that, 15 years ago. I don't even know. As
You
soon as
bought
I
a brand
graduated.
new Corvette 15 years ago.
Yeah, as soon as I got out of college, thinking I was the coolest
What made
person
you wanna get
ever.
a Corvette?
It was the cheapest car that was the fastest car at the time. That, you know, that I could basically afford
Yeah,
and stuff
okay.
like that. And I also thought it'd be really cool and girls would love it and everybody would love it. And the only thing that happened is all these like 70-year-old dudes came up to me like every single day and they're like, wow, man, look at that car. And I'm like, I'm selling this thing.
That's what I always joke
the
about
wrong
that
attention.
too, because people are like, "Oh man, like Lambos and all that, man. The girls must love it." I'm like, "Nah, bro.
Just a lot of
It's just-
11-year-olds.
It's literally just like 16-year-old boys
Yeah.
coming
Let
up,
it up
going
to you.
like this, going, hit it, you know, hit it, rev it. Go to the car shows. There's literally just like all these people walking around with cameras, taking photos and filming and stuff. And I'm like, what do they do with all this footage? You know, like, what do you do? Like, you just
Yeah.
go to a car show and you film 1,000 different cars, and then what do you do with that?
Yeah.
Like, where do you put that at? Like, what are you doing with that? Like, people get really serious too. I saw a guy who's like on one of those little like fucking motorized scooters riding around with, like a gimbal, filming at the car
Oh,
show and
yeah,
stuff.
man.
Like,
They get real into it.
I took one time I was like kind of coming out of there pretty hot, and I was in the GT3 RS and kind of like fishtailed, and it has a pretty big wing on it, and the wing like. It was this close to like taking some people out. Because I like fishtailed it and they were all like kind of on a line on the street, and that fucking
Yeah.
people were like, whoa, like full on Matrix, like whoa, away from it. That
have
would
you,
have been gnarly.
have you seen like those Atlanta car shows where they're
Yeah,
taking over
yeah.
parking lots, but they're like doing donuts and like everybody's just running in between the cars, and eventually
the
somebody gets
takeovers,
ran
bro,
over
the
and goes underneath the
takeovers. You
car
gotta
and
do
shit.
the takeovers.
Jesus, man.
That's out in California. They're getting crazy out there.
Just wild.
Just shutting down the intersection and just doing donuts and
Twer-
getting wild. There are
twerking-
some
twerking on the
insane videos
intersection?
on Twitter of that stuff.
Yeah, man.
All right, as we get ready for the market open, what do we got here? We got that 23,000 kind of 340 area, looks like a little bit of support for now. We got 945 numbers. We're in the middle of this kind of overnight range right now. So middle of that overnight range. Really, it's kind of a crapshoot on which way we go. We're right here at the VWAP. Overnight, we pushed up. The trend is kind of obviously going higher, but we're in this just consolidation zone for now. I would say basically like 23, we got to get above 23,400 for like those bulls to kind of keep that momentum going. There's a pivot point up there at the 490s. If we look on the hourly chart, maybe like 460 area could push up, and then after that, really just bam, 500 or so. To the downside, we got that gap fill potential, 23,300. It's just such a tricky spot because we're right there in the freaking middle of it, just in the middle of that overnight range.
Sneaky.
A little tricky. So, what would be your normal thought process, Alex, to kind of go through this? What would you be looking at?
Yeah, I'd probably be looking for maybe a sweep of the lows to go higher. But I mean, or it could do what Landon said, sweep high and then go lower. So we'll see. I'm going to wait to see if we can break yesterday's high, which is about 23,307. And then if it wicks and goes back up, then I'll be looking for a long.
I like it. We had Palantir had some earnings report came out last night, going to the moon. The NASDAQ right now, we're not a big. I mean, we're only about 50 points, 60 points away from yesterday's close. So
Yeah.
it's not like a massive gap. And then we don't have like a massive overnight range either, about 100-point overnight range, which is nothing out of the norm. The fact that we took out that 3 o'clock high there might mean something. Maybe we could kind of pull back here and take out the overnight low. Maybe fill the gap even. Fill the gap and then rip back up maybe. Well, like Landon said.
Little gap.
Maybe the other way. Maybe it goes up, then we fill the gap.
Which gap are you talking about?
Basically, yesterday's close. That
Okay.
dotted line where we
Was it 296?
Yeah, it'll be like 296. 2009 69.99 23,296.
Right.
That dotted line on the chart.
Yeah.
That's yesterday's close. So, in theory, if we can't hold, I would say if we can't hold the 40s, it should be like kind of that straight down move. Run some stops there. People getting a little excited, you know. They get a little excited.
Getting a little nervous. Nvidia's
People trying to
falling
get
a little
long.
bit.
Nvidia, what?
Nvidia's falling.
Nvidia's
Just
falling.
barely. 0.04.
Oh my baby!
0.04.
Stop it now! Stop! Look at
just
the
barely.
sell-off.
Look at that.
Look at that sell-off!
Get out
Frank.
now.
Oh my God!
It's
it went
burning.
Down, it went
It's
down
burning.
20 cents.
Listen.
What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
Sell the farm, sell the goats. It's done.
The goats gotta go.
Gotta go.
Did you? Did your Corvette that you bought? Did that help you get your wife, or how that? Did the Corvette help?
She was already there, and then
You
actually
already had a wife. You bought a Corvette.
Well, I so serious girlfriend at the time when I
You had
bought
a
the
serious
Corvette.
girlfriend? You
Serious
went out and bought a
girlfriend.
Corvette? Wow.
And then
I think,
actually-
you know, if I was your girlfriend, I'd be very worried.
Well, listen to
I'd be
this.
very worried if my boyfriend went and bought a Corvette. You know, I'd be like,
Well-
oh, he's trying to leave me.
When she saw the 75-year-old dudes walking up to me to talk to me, she's like, "All right, never mind. You can keep the car."
She's like, my boyfriend is definitely trying to leave me right now. He
fuck?
don't love me. He trying to buy a Corvette.
But no, actually, so a year and a half later, I traded in for the engagement ring.
You traded your Corvette for the engagement ring?
Yeah, I
Oh
mean, not the
my
whole
God.
thing. I mean, not that expensive a ring,
Talk
but yeah,
about
it was a good ring.
talk about full circle, right?
Yeah, man.
Everything's coming back full circle, baby. He bought the
Well-
Corvette to get laid, and then he traded the Corvette in to get married.
To get permanently laid,
To
right?
get permanent. Now you can only get laid by one woman forever.
But also, this is Buffalo, New York, too. So, like, my
Oh, shit.
my
Well, that makes a lot
driving,
of sense.
dude, I got to drive it like 4 months out of the year.
Yeah,
that was
yeah,
it. Man.
fuck.
Yeah.
I'm always very cautious of trying when I look for cars or I'm looking at where I'm buying cars.
Oh, yeah, if
I
it's
never
New
try
York.
to buy cars from anywhere fucking northeast or
Yeah.
north in general.
The salt
The
messes
salt,
them
yeah,
up
just
so
destroys
good.
the cars.
But then, of course, when you're in Buffalo, you're thinking the exact opposite. You're like, never buy a car from Florida because it's probably a hurricane car. You know?
Hurricane car.
So the shit. That one was in
I would
Irma. I
love to buy a
saw it.
hurricane car.
I saw that one floating in Irma.
Floating
You know?
in Irma. Well, the best was over in Dubai when they had the flooding
You
in Dubai.
saw
and
that?
all those
Holy
cars
shit,
were just
dude.
destroyed.
The parking
I
garages
was so
were
excited because for
nuts.
me, I'm like sick. That's less and less Aventadors in the world. You
Yeah,
know?
yeah.
The more Aventadors that can get destroyed, the better for me.
Yeah.
That's
Price goes up.
my hope and pray.
Dude, what a bizarre place, though. I saw like a Mini Cooper the other day in Dubai, like a photo of it, but it had a
Yeah.
license plate number 8 or something
Oh,
like that.
yeah.
So that was like a, $10 million Mini
Yeah,
Cooper.
the license plate. The lower the number, the more money.
Yeah, that's big stuff.
All right, right now the NASDAQ pulling back here. That 350 area. Below the VWAP, we've got 6 minutes till market opens. What do we got today on the chat? What do we got? Up or down? Instead of doing up or down, let's make a poll. Who wants to see who win? We got Greg or Alex today. Team Greg, Team Alex. We got to start some competition here.
Horrible smile. I can
In the
see that one
chat,
in all
look at him,
caps.
smiling.
All the way across the room, I can see horrible smile. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you.
Oh,
Hope you had a good
it's
start
gonna
to
be a
your day.
battle now between Greg and Alex. 50% right now. I should
What?
have put Landon in the poll. Should have put Landon in the poll.
Dude,
Yeah.
Landon's going to kill the whole thing. I think he
Oh,
beat everybody
man.
yesterday.
Oh man, it's close. Too close to call. Too close to call.
Someone said, "Can't we just all win?"
Landon's got my vote. Oh man. All right. So Greg is
Landon's
taking
got my
the
vote, too.
inaugural vote. We'll do another vote at the end of the day and see who's still the fan favorite after Greg blows everybody up.
Right. After
After
I
Greg
blow
tells
the
everyone
account.
to short, and it goes
But
down.
in beautiful fashion.
Someone said they're rooting for the gayer one. Well, that's whoopsies.
Did you see that one hypnosis video, actually?
The gayer one?
No, the guy's like, the second I snap my fingers, you were going to forget that you were ever gay.
Did it work?
I mean, do you remember being gay? And it worked.
That's actually funny.
Oh, yeah, no. You got me.
You got me.
Oh, man.
Where's the chat going? It's 9:25. We're trading. Guys are too silly. Too silly for me.
Oh man. Fired up here, chat.
Fired
We
up.
are fired up.
Now we just need to
Another
make
day
money.
into the dollar. We got plenty of time to make some money today. We're gonna be showing it all, doing it live. The mentorship, day number 2. Day number 2. I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. Somebody commented on the video yesterday and said it's either an optical illusion or you gained a lot of weight. I'm like,
Oh, fucking thanks. It's just a good
well,
way.
as much as I would like to claim that it's an optical illusion, you might be right. I did gain a little bit. It always goes to my face. It's always like my face gets fat and then gets skinny. Back to I gotta get skinny. It's because fucking Landon, man. I always eat like crap when he's around. It is his birthday this week too, so we gotta go out for a birthday dinner.
Ooh, you about to be 12. 13?
13.
Nice, man. Very fun.
Eat less steak. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Eat less steak.
Get that gout, that King's
Be like,
disease.
Admit that you're gay.
Steak, lobster,
That'd
and
be
wine.
a terrible idea. All right, right now the NASDAQ sitting down here at these lows, building a bit of a bear flag here. If we lose 340s, do we just go straight down? I'm kind of tempted. Is anybody else tempted just
Tempted
to get
to take
short
it?
here? You think it's a long?
Right here?
Right here? The 12-year-old likes the longs. The
We'll see. We'll
12-year-old.
see.
Ooh.
How about this? How about you put on a trade and you shut up? Put on a trade, boy, and shut up. Yeah, see, that's the difference. Just all talk, no walk. Just talking, no walking. I need some walking, not talking, boy. We got 3 minutes here till market opens. I think if we start to sell down, I like that idea of pulling back into that 300 level again. The bears. It's gonna do it before the market opens now.
Yeah, it
Oh
is.
man, don't
The
do it.
bears.
Don't do that, NASDAQ. Don't you do it. 345 to 340 could have been out right there, Greg.
Right?
Rich.
I was out.
I could have got short. Could have made my 5 points.
Listen,
and been
man.
out.
Do it 5 more times. We
Do
good.
it 5 more times. That's 100
That's all
points.
you need. That's all you need.
5 points times 5 equals 100.
Listen, three points every 10 minutes.
Are you
You're
trading
good.
the micros today?
Yeah, man. I got yelled at.
Are you sure?
You got yelled at.
I gotta make sure you're on the right.
It was more of
contract.
just a recommendation.
Yeah. I'm doing micros, but I'm going to do 25 contracts each time.
What? All right. Well, Daddy can see everything today, so be good, kids.
Just start canceling out my trades.
Yeah.
Just hit that
Cancel.
exit all.
All right, less than a minute here till market opens. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We are doing it live at the BDH right here. Wide. It's time. Mega Money Tuesdays, Turbo Tuesdays.
Turbo.
I gotta go look at my
Tuesdays.
boat after this, figure out how much money I gotta spend on finishing my boat.
That's your fishing boat.
Well, 2 fishing boats actually.
Fishing
so I got
boat.
2 boats to finish up.
Big old
spending
boat.
that money on. We're getting ready. The what? The algorithm?
Landon's calling moonshot.
It's calling algorithms over there. All right, 30 seconds till market opens. We took out that low already, so that might invalidate the short idea. Take out that little 340, right back up 350s now. We got the VWAP there at the 55s. It's turning. It's
burn.
turning, doing something.
Getting the excited shakes now. The 9:30 excited
Yeah,
shakes.
don't press any buttons yet.
All right, there's the market open. Stuck there at the VWAP. If we get stuck here below the VWAP over and over, I might look for a short. Tapping that VWAP right now.
Order filled.
Ooh, for what? A short?
He said short. Jeez.
I don't know. I fucking fucked up my shit right now.
What a
Down
move.
there, the 318s. Get me out.
Order filled.
Nice trade.
Very nice trade.
So I don't know why you guys, everything's all fucked up right now.
You guys messed
I got
me up.
Did you
short
take it on
the
my
fucking
account?
on the micros. I'm short at the 46s. So annoying right now. Dude, why does the chart look so weird? Ever since I logged into your guys' accounts, my shit's all fucked up. Everything is all fucked up right now. Look at that perfect fucking trade though, from the 47s down there to the 310s. Did I not tell you? Did I
That
not
was
tell
nice.
you?
Yeah, that was a nice
Look
trade.
at that, chat. Look at that. The gap getting filled. We couldn't get above the VWAP there. I grabbed it short at 340. Dude, my chart is so weird looking now.
Order filled.
Ooh,
Who's that?
that was me.
You. Oh, that wasn't me.
That's you?
Yeah, that was me going for a pushback up.
He's going for a pushback up.
Let me see. I got a 317. So we're trying to get out at 327 for our 10.
Walk
right?
me through this. Why?
Just for a reversion. Purely for a reversion. And then I was going to put
Purely
my...
for reversion.
Yeah.
Purely the trend is not your friend.
Yep.
All right. Well, there's one way to win and one way to lose. Today we're going to find out.
This thing looks like it
And you
wants to
gotta
go
get that.
down.
Got to get that first one out of the way, you know?
You on the 5-minute chart here? I don't know. Looking a little trouble there. A little trouble there, Greg.
Trouble in paradise.
Can I give you some advice on what I think would be? I think you're gonna be all right, but if I give you some advice here, if you're trying to really get that that reversion,
I just got out of
what
it.
was that?
You made me nervous.
5 points.
All right, I won't do it again. I won't do it again.
Look. But think about it like this. See where you got in at?
Yeah.
Like, see how this next candle has that wick on the bottom?
Yeah.
If you're really trying to like play into that reversion, or you want that, you don't want to get long there at the 317s. See, because like how we're already, even if this doesn't like, let's say this doesn't rip all the way back up and you get long when we retest the lows, that entry is going to be way better.
Yeah.
Because we've already retested the lows here. Like, so you bought, like, you kind of FOMO'd into that, if you know what I mean.
100%.
You know,
Yeah.
where if you would have waited for this, like this wick candle to get put in there and then that push back up, or you would have tried to get in at the low, like at the low, then you would have been sitting real pretty.
And feeling more confident about it.
You just needed to be maybe one more candle patient.
Yeah. So also amateur hour over here. I was on the 5-minute. I
Yeah,
didn't
you're on the
realize
5-minute too.
So I saw that. I was like, all right, we're good.
Yeah, he's on the 5-minute chart. That's why.
Motherfucker.
But you can see how that now it's got that little pushback up 330s.
Yeah.
See, I don't understand why my chart looks so weird and all you guys' charts look so right.
All right, now we're
Like
in
my
it.
colors are just, everything's so weird. Get me off the fucking M and Q.
So just throwing it out there that I'm 21 bucks on the day. Landon, what are you at?
Well, if we're counting points,
We're counting points.
if
Here.
we're counting the points, sir, you know, the points. All right, NASDAQ, I still don't understand this candles right now. I can't deal with this.
About to be a double meat Chipotle day.
Another kind of bear flag setup here. If we get through that 20 level, we're watching here for a possible short.
I'm doing the same. I'm looking for a short here. If it hits around the
These candles are freaking
310 area.
I would have liked to have been maybe short a little higher here. Take out that 300 level there next. I guess we're going to grab it short.
I'll follow that.
Order filled.
Dude, I can't. My chart is all messed up right now. I'm like, no, I don't get it. Push right back up off the lows there. Short. I'm gonna get stopped out probably. Wow.
Stop filled.
God. That's aggressive. That's aggressive there.
Aggressive.
This chart, I don't understand why the chart looks so weird on me. Wow. Market just right back down after stopping me out there. Absolutely beautiful. Gotta love
Just
it.
look at it.
I'm still holding on to mine
Still short?
in my personal.
I'm still short too. Because I just want that screaming. Stop filled.
Order filled. Order
I'm
filled.
trying to short one more time here.
Ooh, let's double down.
Double down.
Double down.
Double down.
Ah, there's so many order fills going on right now. I turn my volume down so you guys don't hear me. I'm going into phantom trading mode.
Do not stop me out. Come on, man.
Oh no, Patrick.
Wow, again. Gonna get stopped out again here.
All
right, we're holding on.
We got news at 9:45. NASDAQ just stuck here below the EMAs. Little double bottom down there at the 310s for now. She's liking that low down there, ain't she?
Yipes.
Ripping back up here already. Back up to the 330s again.
Oh, there's the stops.
Taking everybody out.
Taking us out. Look, there it is.
350 is the VWAP there. 348. Straight back up there already. The 5-minute candle just brought it right back up to 356.
That is a terrible trade by me.
Back up there, 360s now. Back up almost to the VWAP, through the VWAP now. Gonna rip it 370s maybe.
This is exactly what I called, and I did the exact opposite. I said I wanted to sweep yesterday's high and then go higher.
And then just go pop up.
Boy, I think we got caught up in that 1 minute chart, man. We're just looking at that 1 minute chart too much.
1 minute.
NASDAQ right now back up there through the 360s. This key level there, 340s, broke through there earlier. Can we continue to push 380, 400s to the upside there now? If we get back above the VWAP, turn to support. What you got going on, Greg?
Well, I'm curious. So just based on pre-market, right? From like 8 o'clock to now, we're still kind of trending down, even though we just had a strong trend upward for market open. So I'd almost consider a short again with a stop at like 365 in case it does get pushed up. Otherwise, maybe it goes back down to revisit the lows. Try one. I'm going to try it. We'll see what happens.
Holding up there the VWAP. If we can get ripping here, the ES is above VWAP. The Dow, the NASDAQ, everything ripped back up. We got news here in 5 minutes. 5 minutes till the news. 5 minutes till the news comes out. Take this long off the VWAP. Let me go for that 380s. Watching that. If we get through 356, I might take a long here. Take the longs. Need to go up through the looking for 68s or so, 10 points there. Dude, I'm on M and Q again. What is going on? Every time I switch the chart, it fucking goes back to M and Q. Some trouble there. The 350s again. Probably gonna get stopped here once again. 344 stopped again. Just couldn't get above the.
Hey, I got filled though. Shit.
Filled what?
Remember I went short. I got my 9 points that time. 9 points. Oh, cancel out the buys.
There's that push again. Waiting for the 60 break. If I take 60s here long, try to get up there towards the 80s. Got that numbers coming out at 945. Trying it long again. We can get there towards the 70s. Got huge seller at 65s. Fucking A. I can't tell if this is like an update for Trade Debate or what, but it's
like you're on like light mode or dark mode or whatever it is.
Got changed. I don't know what happened here. We are long, looking for a push up through the 70s possibly.
Long and strong.
Trying to get towards that 80 level.
Come on, Patrick.
Wow.
Come on.
Lead us to the promised land.
Trying to hold there the VWAP. Just cannot get through there. Pulling back again here.
Come on, Green. We can do it. I mean, I will admit, trading the minis is way less stressful.
The micros.
Yep, that's the one. Micros. Which is how dumb. Why do you have to have it micro and mini? Why can't it be
Because
like
there never was a micro before the minis.
large and small
before.
or something like that, you know?
All right, there's the news coming out. We'll be saved by the news here. We need to
Saved by
push
the
through
bell.
the 70, 80 levels.
Saved by the bell.
77 is my target here. We need a winner.
Chicken
We need
dinner.
a winner, chat.
Double meat chipotle day.
22 contracts just got filled at 62s.
Ooh.
We need a winner.
Push, push, push. Look at this, Patrick. This is about to be a 12-point move for me.
There we go.
I need a winner, chat.
We did it, Pat.
Almost there.
We did it.
Are you long too?
I was, yeah. I got a 12-point move. That's a
There you
big
go.
guy.
How many micros?
Going for
Just two.
77s here. We're long off the 60s. Can we get the 77 fill? Oh, yeah, we got it. What a beautiful move there.
Ooh.
She's still going higher, by the way.
Still down on the day. Still a little bit to catch up.
Same.
All right, so right now I'm up 1,600. Dang,
Nice.
Greg,
What were you trading? What, minis?
minis.
How many?
What?
How many?
5. I was on the chart.
Oh, I didn't see it.
Come on.
Come on.
All right. We're up 1,600 in that account. What's Greg? Greg's down 500.
Down.
Or wait, you're 130 down.
Yeah, 130.
130 down. We got Alex down 500. What'd you do?
I held a short.
Are you trading the micros?
Yeah.
Oh. Your stop, that stop on that short, that stop in the morning.
Yeah, that
Where's
killed
your
me.
stop been at?
That's the one that killed me too, actually. And I
See
did
where
2
it's
of them
like,
there.
see those,
Probably
see
like
that little breakout
probably like
right
327.
there? Yeah, like the high of that candle.
Yeah.
Right? You're playing the idea of reversal, so your stop should be above that candle. Not all the way at the high of the fucking opening range, silly. Look, it's still going higher. 380s now. NASDAQ pushing up there. I don't understand why these charts look so different. This is how my chart normally looks. This is Greg's chart.
Look at that
NASDAQ's still pushing up there.
beautiful chart there. You can make a trade in there if you want.
Can't you go 23,400 next?
Lando says it does. Landon, sorry, man. I keep calling you Lando.
We had that very tight consolidation. The news came out. The market squeezed up through there now. How high can it go from there is the $1 million question. Trying to push to the 400s now.
Ooh.
All right. We got news at 10 o'clock.
12 minutes.
The opening range has been set. We had the high of the opening range, 362. We'd love to see some type of pullback here, build out more of a bull flag. Then we can take out this overnight high at the 400s. Ideally.
Do you usually find that it like
So now we're looking for a long, boys. Looking for a long to try to take out that high. But we
long
just
and
gotta
strong?
need some kind of some trap or something to happen here to get us in long.
Do we find, does the market usually like bump its head though when it gets up there and falls back for a little bit, or does it just blast through usually? What do you think?
We don't find either. We don't find either.
We just follow
We
what's
just
on the
trade.
chart, Greg. We just follow what's on the chart.
We're not thinking about, oh, the last time then the market went to the 400 level, it went down.
It bumped its head.
It has to do it again, right? There's a little pullback here. I like this little pullback.
You like a pullback to where?
I don't really have like a predefined level right here. Just kind of want to see like kind of that setup that we're looking for with the bull flag, with trying to make the candle make a new high, right?
Right.
So on this right now, the more it pulls back, the better for us. Like if it pulls back all the way to 360s, even better. So now we want that pullback, and then we're gonna kind of wait to see if we can get that kind of wedge type breakout where we're getting a pushback above those previous candle highs. Right now, just pulling back here into that 15-minute range. So if we pull back 360s or so, be perfect spot.
And then you always try to wait for a green confirmation.
Correct. Candle can't make a new high unless it's green.
Yeah, true. You look at that knowledge we're
Look at
dumping
that.
today.
You're learning.
Knowledge
The
on
mentorship is
the
learned.
spot.
I learn and
Man, gonna come home and kill it.
But yeah, that's kind of my thought process. I'm waiting to kind of see if we get that opening range high to act as support. We can get more of a pullback here. And then you got these numbers at 10 o'clock. Ideally, what you want is you really want that price action to get real tight, right? Like you don't want like this candle right here pushing all the way back up. If it pushes all the way back up and takes out the high of that previous candle, that's what you kind of don't want. Because see how it's like already like how quickly you can pull right back. We kind of want these like very like you want like a tighter.
So it's building up
price
the
action. So it's
building
like
up the
building
momentum,
really there. Not
the
like
pressure.
you don't want like a 20-point drop and then the next candle to kind of push back up, take out the high of that candle, because then you're worried it's going to just drop back down. Right. You want that, like, you can see this previous setup there, right? See that previous setup, like holding the VWAP there and kind of like ding, 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 ding.
Yeah.
Getting real tight. So you want that like tight price action for those breakouts, because when we do get those breakouts, you can see how it went from the 355s to the 390s because of it getting real tight there.
Wait.
So the more this pulls back, the better, honestly. It'll be safer basically at that, at a certain point. We almost got 6,000 people watching. Let's go. We got over 6,000 at one point here.
Man,
if you guys are just now tuning in, make sure you stay tuned for more action. We've got numbers coming out here in 8 minutes now. 8 minutes, you got numbers coming out. So I would love to see, I mean, even if we swipe that 350 area, that'd be awesome, right? Like you kind of like, you'd want to see those, like that stop run.
Yeah.
Like, give me like some kind of like trap telling me that we're trapping the bears.
Yeah.
Let them get excited. Once Greg thinks about shorting, that's when we want
That's
to
when
get
we go.
long.
All right.
Let's wait for Greg to be like, guys, this is a great short. And then we're like,
Inverse
okay,
today.
perfect time.
Let's do it.
See, like right now, this is like
Thinking about it. Thinking
just
about
that-
it.
tricky little spot. Technically, this is the setup here. We're back above that 380s, but it's like we just haven't really had that downward swipe. So now it's like I'd be afraid that we take out these lows before going higher, but kind of sometimes you got to roll with the punches there. I'm going to try a long here. This
Put it
thing
on
is
red.
so fucked up. And see if that's the right idea, just for for training purposes. Training purposes. Let's see if getting long here plays the right idea, or if we are going to take out that 60 area first. And then pretty much just be targeting those highs at that point. We got numbers here in 7 minutes as well.
So you'd like almost like a retouch of the VWAP,
Yeah, the V.
but like a quick swipe or what?
Yeah, you want to see like. I always say if you're trying to like play into, if you're trying to play into support resistance, the more violent the move off of that level, the better.
Okay.
Right? Like if we pull back into the VWAP and we get like an instant push back up, you're like, oh, that's nice. But if we pull back all the way into the VWAP and then we just sit there and kind of like ding,
Nice.
ding,
Dilly-dally
ding,
around,
ding,
right.
ding, ding, like that's when I get worried, because I'm like, uh-oh, maybe everyone's not too excited to buy the VWAP.
Yeah.
We are long right now off the 82s.
I just sold mine at 10 points.
You got 10 points?
Got my 10 points.
Greg got fucking 10 points. He's up. Still got a little bit more room to go.
Still got a little bit.
How was I still don't understand how the fuck your loss. Oh, I see what you did.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Would
We're
you
seeing
just-
what Greg was doing. Shorting down there at the bottom.
Would
I
you
did the
just
same
look at
thing,
it?
so I can't really.
Would you just look
Talk
at it?
shit about
Yeah, that first short fucked me. And I put the loss to stop to high up.
All right.
All right.
He's learning, Chad. He's learning.
And I doubled down, which every time I double down,
All right. Greg got 10 points. Let's see if the 10 points is the play here,
the magical number,
or is it better to go for the full move,
full port.
the full port move? I'm still long one contract.
Swiper, no swiping.
Yeah, swiper, no swipey. We got 5 minutes till this news comes out. A little bit less than 5 minutes, actually.
Beautiful day.
See, there's that pullback now. So now I worry that we try to swipe those.
I'm gonna wait for
Swipe those lows at least at the 60s or so. So I'm actually, I don't know why. Did Trade of 8 like change something recently? I can't understand. I don't understand.
Looks normal
I'm
on mine.
confused. NASDAQ right now pulling back here. My stop, move my stop down a little bit because I want to see what happens. Maybe add into this on this pullback here. Still kind of targeting that 400 level. See, there's like, that's a nice little kind of reaction on that EMA.
That was.
But now we just again kind of see the problem is, what do you do here? It's like if you get long again at the 380s, it's like you're kind of pushing right into that bearish candle right there. Grid settings. The fuck, I turn off the grid settings. Turn off the grid. No, see, even then they don't look the same. The candles look so much better on your chart. You're on the legacy chart. Is that what it is?
Legacy.
Fuck, how the fuck did I get on the legacy chart?
This is the winners always win chart.
Greg, you're on the how do I get off the legacy chart? Get me off of the legacy chart.
Come on.
I don't want to be on the legacy chart.
You gotta chat GTP it. How do I get off legacy chart?
Take me off of this. Double click candlestick.
Getting some dirty
Well, I don't
talk.
see no
Double
I don't
click
see
that
no legacy
candlestick.
chart. Body, 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 body. Yeah, this not very good, very bright colors. I'm colorblind, bro.
Lime green. Are you actually?
Kinda with greens, yeah.
That's yellow.
I know.
Oh.
Fuck you guys! Don't make fun of me because I have a learning disability, okay?
Man, stoplights are always fun, right? Is it green or yellow? We're going either way.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Blast on through.
We're getting better now. We got lines again. Things are getting better. The middle button on your mouse, roll it. I'm rolling it.
Roll it. See that mouse button? Go ahead and roll that.
My favorite is like if people try to give me advice, they'd be like, Patrick, you just gotta, when I was like, oh, my internet's having issues, you just gotta unplug your router.
Just unplug it, fuckers.
Patrick, your internet, you gotta unplug the router. Don't you know what the router is, Patrick? I'm like, oh no, I never heard of that router before. We got news coming out here in 48 seconds. 48 seconds, chat. I'm long from the 82s against my better judgment, but we tried it and we saw that the 10 points that Greg got was the better option.
A 10-point sweep.
10 points a day keeps Greg in the green.
Yeah.
Keeps
the goats happy.
Keeps his goats living. 24 seconds here. I think it's looking nice and primed up for that push to the 400s.
For a nice little rippity
might just be me, but Landon is long at the 64s.
There you
And
go.
then
God, what do you do? Snipe the bottom,
Yeah,
bro?
seriously.
Yeah, you sniped it. We'll see if it plays out. The 12-year-old is right. Oh, God, 12-year-old.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh, that's not good. That's not good, 12-year-old.
My
oh
chart.
man, my stream delayed for a second. I didn't even see it.
We are out.
I didn't even see it happen.
Insane.
I was like, what are you guys talking about? It went up a little.
God. This is why we don't follow 12-year-old advice.
First move's wrong. First move's wrong.
The news came out. The market dipped down there through the 350s. Right through the VWAP now.
Oh my gosh.
Now it's going to rip.
So, all right. I somehow made some money on that.
Nice, dude.
God.
That was crazy.
Do they? On my my God, I can't talk. On my chart, it's showing a gap now. Is that how fast it went, or is mine just a
Nah,
little
just
delayed?
No,
refresh your chart.
mine delayed too. That was
Mine
crazy.
was frozen.
Yeah,
It
mine
passed
was
my-
too.
It was frozen past my stop loss
You
for a
got you-
while. I was like, oh,
got
that's
you
cool.
scared.
But it showed that I was green, so maybe I was green, you know. But then I was red. Damn it. All right. Focus, chat. Focus. We're holding up there at the VWAP again.
How'd everything else react?
Holding at the VWAP. Market holding the opening range low right now. That's whale market manipulation. I told the editor in Hawaii, I was like, bro, you just got to go up to a big old girl and say, are you my free willy?
I hate my free willy.
Are you my willy? And they go, what? So I want to free my willy, baby. You're my willy.
You the one.
I want to free my willy.
You're the chosen one.
Have you seen that movie Free Willy? Well, I want to free you, honey.
I want you to.
I know where the boot ramp is.
Do a lake launch.
Oh, I gotta get. I thought maybe we'll get Jason like a big old girl, and they fall in love, and you get married, and then she gonna like beat him.
Man.
be some abuse.
So here's a conversation.
Yeah.
In my high school, I was from Horseheads, New York, very small town. There's
Yeah.
only one strip club.
You had some
There was
big
literally
girls?
like, no, listen to this. It was a strip club about an hour away that all the 18, 19-year-olds would drive to and stuff like that. This thing was a hole in the wall that basically had dirt on the floor. The best paid lady there was like 350 pounds.
Yeah.
Because it was everybody bringing their 18-year-old buddies and then all, just
Yeah.
piling the money onto her, and it was like that was your rite of passage, is you had to
Yeah.
see Bertha from the
I like it. All right, well, NASDAQ, again, just right here, the VWAP. If we get back above the opening range highs, that 365 area, we can look for maybe the continuation of this long setup. We just got to get back above that kind of 360 area is what I'd be looking for here. If you know what I made. I can't believe I made $130 on the M&Q this morning. That's impressive. I haven't traded M&Q in forever. Somehow I put a trade on and made fucking absolutely crushed that short at open. Came back and made some more money with the NQ as well. In my Funding Ticks 0 accounts. We got the boys today trading in the Take Profit Trader accounts. Take Profit Trader right now is 40% off, no fees, and you get your eval refunded once you get a payout. Coach John said, get long here. Should we listen to Coach John? Does that look like a person that we should listen to in the chat?
long and strong.
Coach John, if I get long and it doesn't go up, what will you do? What will you do, Coach John?
Cry.
What will you do? Coach John. The ES is below the 15-minute range right now, the opening low.
Ooh.
So ES is moving down. NASDAQ's also looking like it wants to move down. I kind of want to take a short here. Try a short. See if we get some continuation on the NASDAQ.
Back to the
Be looking
300s.
for like this move through the 13, 15s down there quickly. Coach John said to get long, and I said to get short.
I'm gonna get
Who's
short.
gonna win?
I'm gonna get short instead.
Coach John. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Coach John gonna get me.
Where are your stops right here? Above that candle?
47 is my stop above the high of that like candle that broke to the downside there.
Ooh, let's do it.
ES is really selling. NASDAQ's selling here. Just need to get through this 25 area and try to move down there to the lows again. I'm actually going to target even lower now. 310s here now. 20 points. Put me on the board, chat. Put me on the board here. We are short. Can we get it? Can we get it?
Putting the team on his back. Can he do it?
Can we get it? I'm moving my stops to 27, break even basically now. Need to get this through the 15s, 310s, 310s. Oh my Lord, almost. Stopped out there for a small profit, but needed a little bit more room. Just couldn't get there. That was still 10 points.
Got 64 bucks.
That's
got
10
64
points,
bucks.
man.
I got my 10.
points, back to back.
I got my 10.
10 points.
Shoo.
Greg took a short.
Let's see.
Down there, he took the lows. God damn it, Greg. You got my fill, bro.
God damn it.
Greg was supporting the market. Greg was supporting the market.
The market
over here.
makers were watching me.
Where'd you get out at?
Man, I blacked out. I clicked
He got
buttons.
out at the fucking low of those candles. Now it's
I
ripping
blacked
right
out. I
back
clicked
up.
buttons.
Look at the ES just ripped right back up there off the 350s.
It was a 317 to 328. Or vice versa.
Dub some words for Alex. What does that mean?
Dub some words.
What does that mean?
Gotta dub some words. They want you to. They want some words.
They want you to talk.
They want more. They want
Speak
more.
some
You
knowledge.
gotta say she.
You
gotta say shit.
Look, I'm
Shit.
looking at
Listen.
7 charts right now.
Shit
We're trying to make some money.
today.
I mean,
Okay,
Yeah.
shit.
We're done.
Listen, it's the drinking game, right? Every time
Every
Greg
time
says
Greg says
shit.
shit.
And the length of it is how many shots, right?
All right, well, now NASDAQ right back up off the 320s. This thing, another day of fucking chop here.
All right. What am I looking at here?
Right now, we're looking at chop, my friend Alex.
I know.
We're in the middle of
Looking
the
at chop.
15-minute range right now. It's a good time to be patient. Like you said earlier, what did you say this morning?
Patient.
You said patience.
Yeah. Well,
And you have not been patient.
I've
this
not
whole
been
morning.
patient. In my personal account, I am up
Okay.
140. I'm
Doing better than Greg over there.
Better than
I'm
freaking
down
Greg.
big in.
Oh, I know, sir. I know. We're never gonna financially recover from this. I know. I'm gonna have to call fucking Take Profit Trader and say, hey, can you give me
listen.
another free account, please?
We need a couple. We blew
We need
those
more
ones
accounts, sir. ES pushed back up, got stuck at yesterday's close, and NASDAQ again through the 30s down there. I would say it looks bearish. We got stuck below the VWAP there again, but need to break out of this 15-minute range right now.
Slowly
Very small
going.
15-minute range. We had news this morning, everything coming out there. Market just pulling right back down. That 10 o'clock news took us down through the 330s again, 320 area. We got yesterday's close, that dotted line, 297s down there. We're in the middle of the 15-minute range here as well, so the ES is already below the 15-minute range. The Dow's below the 15-minute range, so the NASDAQ's
Thinking about it.
trailing right now.
Thinking about it.
I'd say there's a good possibility the NASDAQ tries to make new lows here at some point.
I'm just saying. PLTR just lost 0.5%. It's falling fast.
0.5? Shit, Greg.
God damn it, guys.
Somebody help Greg out with his Palantir short.
My wife texted me too. She's like, I do know about the short. You better make it pay.
Yeah, she's like,
She
you better
watched
make
the
some money
stream.
so we can feed these goats, boy.
Literally. She's like, don't come home.
Don't come home unless you're rich. MFFU is only 5% with my code. They might have got rid of the 15% deal, so
That's why you got to hop on it quick.
apologies.
Hop on it quick, guys. Buy 10 at a time. 10 at a time when it's nice and low. And then you stack them. And then you can even resell them to your friends. When it's back to 5%, be like, hey, I got a 15%.
I'll sell it to you for 10% off.
Exactly, man. Get them pennies.
Call it the prop firm. I'll start a business where I just buy prop firms when they're on sale, then I sell them for cheaper later on.
Literally,
Oh,
man.
you're trying to buy? You want to buy an MFU account? I got you.
I
dog.
got you, man.
I know they're not
got
15%,
you.
but I can get you 10% off
Like
with my own special stock.
It's like StubHub. You got that StubHub resale.
Yeah, reselling. That would be hilarious. Actually.
Listen, now we got the ideas, man. The
Just
think
getting the
tank is
codes from
starting.
everybody. I need prop firm account codes. Codes. You know, why is it every time you go to like one of those games, there's always these people outside. Got any tickets?
Got any tickets?
What are they doing?
Got any tickets? They're
Are
not.
they-
They're
wanna
they're not
resell
allowed
them.
to say I'm selling tickets. That's illegal.
Yeah,
so,
well,
so they have to say, do you
got
have any
tickets?
tickets? And that just means you're supposed to go up to that person because he's selling.
I
them.
never
I was
thought
like, is
about
that guy
that.
actually trying to buy tickets right now?
No.
Like, what's he gonna do? Try to resell them? Like in 5 minutes, the game starts in
Yeah.
an hour, and the guy's like, "We got any tickets? Anybody got any tickets? Anybody got tickets?"
So here's a little life hack that I did. I went to
Oh,
the
life hacker.
life hack. So went to the F1
Life
race.
hacks with Greg.
Life hacks with Greg. Went to the F1 race in Austin with my dad last
Yeah.
year. We bought specific tickets, but they were a little bit lower. They were still $800 tickets, but they were
Okay,
lower
big
in the
spender.
stadium.
Okay.
So we waited till the day of the race, and I kept checking the resale websites for tickets. I found 2 tickets that weren't sold yet that were like, I don't know, $2,000 tickets. So then we sat in those seats because they weren't sold. And it was perfect. And then nobody disturbs you because nobody's going to show up and be like, hey, that's my seat.
You're that guy.
They weren't sold. That was
Here.
a perfect view.
All right, right now the NASDAQ moving down here. Let's see if we can get this move through the lows. 320, 310s. I want to see if we can get through the 300s maybe. I do have a short right now trying to get this move through the 30s, 310s. Be looking for like maybe 290s down there if we can get all the way down there. I got my stop here at the 32s. I want more though. I want more.
I want more.
I gotta stay on top of the leaderboard. I've been slacking lately. I've been having some trouble. Chat. Dude, why does this thing? I don't get it. It doesn't even show my thingies.
Let's see some red.
It doesn't. Where are my lines at? So you can see I have my stop basically right above the high of this little candle that broke through the lows there. So looking to see if we can get a little bit more to the downside here through that 310 level. The ES is trying to move,
Ooh, was thinking about it.
trying to fill that gap, baby. I'm gonna move my stop now to the 23s from the 47s. How did I fix that earlier where I had the line on there differently?
Ooh, there we go.
Yeah,
That was,
I got to get through that low there.
Oh, shit.
Greg's celebrating before it's fucking over.
No, man, so I forget to exit positions and stuff like that. I just forgot to
No
exit one.
celebrating until it's over, Greg.
But listen, it was a happy one. I caught a 4-point move back up.
But what? Who told you to do that, Greg?
So I took the short with you. I did get I got an 8-point move on the short. And then unfortunately,
Yeah, but what did we
didn't
talk
clear
about
out.
this morning? 10 points.
10 point, 8
10
to
points
10.
is what we're looking for
Hold
here.
on, look at my chart though. Go look at my chart real
No,
quick.
I can't look at it right now. I'm trying to make some money, Greg.
All right. Well, if you look at the
Let
chart,
me make some money here.
it was perfectly.
You're over there playing with your fucking micros.
Perfectly. Hey, I'm
Don't
up
touch my minis.
$15 on the day now, chat.
Yeah, well,
$15.
I'm moving the stop now to the 20s, the high of this candle. I don't know why my lines are not showing across there. How did I get that back? The fuck? There we go. Now we got order lines.
I don't have my VWAP on here. I keep trying to add it, but it's not in the indicators.
And, oh God. Stopped out there. So annoying.
Good move, though. We're doing it, chat. We're doing it.
Now it's gonna fucking... How do I get rid of these stupid lines?
Who told you to do that, Greg? That killed me. That's funny.
There's that move through the 300s, 310s now. I want to see what happens here if we get stuck at the 320s again. Maybe take another short.
Ooh.
How do I get rid of the fucking lines? Why is this shit so fucking stupid? Trade lines. God damn it. Silly. All right. What do you got going on over there?
Thinking about
Mister?
going short with you at 323, maybe.
Well, are you long right now?
No, I was about to go short.
Somebody's long.
Hopefully not me.
Is that you? Fucking, whose account am I looking at here? I think Alex is long.
We just got a ghost long.
I think so.
You got a ghost long chilling right now.
Oh yeah, you got a ghost long off the bottom there.
Oh, nice.
It's actually working.
So I'm up.
Nice, dude. A little happy occurrence.
Yeah, well, I didn't mean to be in that.
That's literally just happened to me too.
You know what? I'm gonna hold it.
I still think this wants to make new lows. There's that 300 sell. We're breaking the 15-minute range to the downside. 300 should give it up. There's the break to the downside now. Fucking A. How did I get stopped out? Ugh, so stupid.
Were you long?
I was short.
So what would you
got
look
stopped out at the 320s.
if it does keep dropping? What would you see as support? Like the 280s?
If it keeps dropping, where's the next support? Well, pull up the fucking chart, my friend.
So that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at 280s, just waiting for confirmation.
I'd say lower than 280s. What do you say 280s for?
I was going to the top of those.
I'd say like probably 260s being your next support down there.
So you go to the bottom of this. Yeah, that makes sense.
260s down there. Let's see.
Oh.
If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, we got the course giveaway happening today, live on the YouTube.
On the YouTube.
Right now down there through the 300s. We're right there at yesterday's close now. Right there at yesterday's close. We got to get back above. For the bulls, they got to get it back above like 320s or so if they want to try to push this back up. There's that gap fill now. We filled the gap. A lot of times we do get little bounces when we fill those gaps.
So it hit yesterday close at
Yeah.
296 and bounced off there. Is that what you're talking about?
Yep. Nvidia's making that move down here as well. Nvidia below yesterday's close, so.
Landon,
If
what
we
did you
can-
say this morning?
Like
You
to
said
see
it was going to
another
go
push
to
back up.
400s. Then did you say it was going to... Look at that, man.
You didn't go to the 400 though. Went to 97, dog. 97.
Ooh, sit
You don't make
down,
money
man.
by being 3
Sit
points
down,
wrong,
man.
sir. You don't make money being 3 points wrong, sir. All right. They keep stuck. They're stuck below that EMA there. That next area is 270, being 50% of the opening range here. Thank you. Or trades. Thank you for that. He paid $5 to tell me how to fix my chart. That's pretty epic. I should just ask more often. Help me, people.
Help me.
Tell me how to do it, please. I'm confused.
And send the monies.
Help me. All right, so right now, NASDAQ holding up there at yesterday's close. we get through yesterday's close, 270s, 260s down there, looks very doable. So
Where would you look for a short here?
I'm looking for a low
kind of have
risk
to like
long.
take the short here, maybe stop above like the 310, 315 area, right above that EMA there.
Greg's looking for a long.
Dude, I would 100% do a long with a stop at like 290 or something, like a real tight stop. Like if it actually does break it, boom, you're done. But there it goes. It would have.
Yep.
That's why we didn't do it. Look at that. We're learning. Yesterday
Through
we would
the
have done
290s
it.
now.
Is Patrick short?
He's a pretty
Patrick
tall
Short.
guy.
Patrick short.
Pretty tall guy.
At your mama's house.
Uh-oh, he about to come throw hands. You better careful.
Need this dump through the 80s here. Get me down into the 70s quickly. There's the 85s. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh
That's
yeah.
nice.
That's what we like to see. That's what we like to see. Right into the 70s, 79s, getting filled. Ding, 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 ding. All right, that's what we want to see right
my
here. Taking a
God.
short, like I said, you kind of just on some of those setups, it's almost like you gotta just get in there short, especially when we're stuck there below that EMA and everything.
All right. We're going to slowly inch our way back here on this account where I'm down a couple hundred.
Get it, Alex.
Greg, did you take a long?
No, I took a little short.
Someone's got an order at $2.99, by the way.
Uh-oh.
Who's that?
Wait, who?
Hopefully not me.
I think it's
That's me.
that's you. Greg took a short.
He
You
did
che-
it.
You cheated. Greg is over here talking
Listen,
about getting long, and then he's getting
listen.
short.
The market
He's trying to
makers,
fade the chat.
the market manipulators found out I was on live.
Greg on the day right now is up $32. $32 on the day.
Listen,
We got Alex down 700 on the day.
dreams are made.
We got PW up
the
800 on
BDH.
the day
Ooh.
in these three accounts.
Ooh.
And then we've got my accounts, my funding ticks accounts that are up $2,400 on the day. $2,400 on the day. I got to make some more money on this account though. Got to get that. Got to get to that funded account here. This is that move down 50% of that opening range. I kind of like maybe a long for a little retest.
Little long dogger?
Well, let's see how we're putting in those kind of lows down there. Maybe we get above 290s here for a quick little push up there.
Don't you tease me with a long.
Oh shit!
Don't you tease me with a long.
Shit. Now we're up 1,000 on the day, $200, just like that. A little long for a little quick push, but don't do like me, Greg.
Uh-oh, what'd I do?
Don't do it, Greg.
Uh-oh.
Don't do it,
I
Greg.
already did.
Is it too late
I
now?
already did it.
Greg did it. Now Greg's
Is it-
long. He brought a long 6 minis. This guy's unstoppable.
We going for it. Oh shit.
Oh God. Gregory.
Do we want to go lower or what?
What'd you do to me? What'd you do to me, Pat?
I mean, if that just need that 77 wick to hold. If they lose that 77s, she going down. Not looking good. Not looking good, Gregory.
Come on, guys.
There's kids at home watching this.
Let us pray, chat.
Kids at home are watching this right now, Greg.
God damn.
It's a bloodbath.
People
It's a
are
fucking bloodbath.
people are breaking their friggin' keyboards right now. God damn it, Greg! I believed in you.
We're still holding those 77s.
What is his qualifications to be sitting in that chair?
Zero. Absolutely zero.
Done.
Listen, guys, I had 2 goats, and that was the deciding factor.
He emailed me and said, if you let me come to the BDH, I'll bring my goats.
I was like, listen, man, I got plenty of
What are you
goats.
doing?
Well, you got me nervous. No,
Oh my
get out of it.
God.
You
What'd you
told me to
make
get
on
out
it?
of it.
What do you make on it?
Oh no, he's back. He's still in the red here. He got 2 contracts left.
Oh no, we just broke 50.
The negative R&R on Greg's life right now is historic.
Listen, man.
Risking 20 to make 2.
Nobody does it as big as me.
Oh Lord, Gregory.
Come on, guys.
What a fucking wick.
All right, fine. We'll double down, and then it'll work.
You doubling down?
No.
This mentorship is really mentoring.
Learning with science.
We're learning math here at the BDH live on YouTube. This mentorship is really taking off.
Ugh.
It's gonna go down in history as the worst
What did you say?
mentorship in the history.
What did you
of
say about this
mentorships.
270 level right here?
What did I say about it? That's 50% of the opening range. So 50% of the opening range now getting tapped 270s. Now it'll be interesting to see what they do. Are you guys gambling? I don't know. Are you guys gambling?
Is
that what wait a second.
Educated gambling.
Greg is definitely gambling. I do not condone what Greg is doing, okay?
Greg trades with the
I do
aura.
not condone what Greg is doing here. Still moving down here. No real reason to do much. If we get down maybe through the 250s, there might be an opportunity to get kind of a bounce play off of that support from yesterday there, but let it get a little bit more long in the tooth here. Long to the downside here. If we get down in that 250 area, maybe trying to take a bounce. Who is Greg and where did he come from? Nobody knows.
Nobody knows.
I found him on the corner.
He's just a mystery.
He had a sign that says, I will work for food.
I was
And I
panhandling.
said, well, I got a place for you, my friend. You can sleep in the GTR at night.
There's lots of Chipotle.
I want to go short.
Well, I mean, I do want to point out a fact of that 300 short really played out nicely.
Mm.
300 short down there at that 260 area now. Question is if we can start to get some bounces around here. This 5 minute, we've got 4 red candles in a row, 5 minute chart. Put in maybe a low down here.
Bounce when she walks.
Man, the ES has just been like perfect. 355 area down there, 338, just holding those I mean, I guess the NASDAQ's holding those EMAs as well, so. If I could just get this area right there, if we could dip down here, then I might look for a reversal. But if we push back up now, we could look for maybe a bear flag to play out. So kind of maybe push back into the 288s again, get denied there. Maybe even like 21 EMA. There's that 9 EMA getting tested once again, 280s here. A 5 minute chart looking a little scary. We basically pulled right into that support now, 260s now. That hourly candle.
Pull back to where? I mean, this thing looks like it just wants to keep going up.
I mean, it's kind of the same exact thing as the bull flag, right? You were basically waiting for that bear flag to play out in the sense of pushing back up, getting denied, and then the first kind of candle to make a new low through the previous candle low is kind of your entry candle. So ideally, you would love to see kind of that 300 area get tapped. Five-minute chart looks a little bit like a reversal setup. That last 5 minute candle high was 295s. And then you got like up into here possibly.
Possibly.
Stuck there again at the EMAs. Everything just going downtown again.
Down.
Oof. I was looking for maybe another little pushback up to the 75s, but look at that, straight back down there again. See if we can get a short entry here. Maybe if it pushes back up. Need to get through that. Still down 260s now. They dumped it. You can see how that 280 level right into those previous wicks. Right into those previous weeks, below the 21, below, right above the 9 EMA there. $240s.
Gotta get another good one.
I see people in the chat talking about 240 long.
The camera's off.
Oh, fucking A.
You gotta reset the router.
People want to see your face.
I think if they're not turned on, it probably make them hotter, to be honest. Are they charged if they knew? Yeah, maybe just charge them.
I'm the new Patrick Wieland. You can follow me now. I am the captain now.
That would be bad advice. Follow that guy.
Follow that guy.
Fucking A, chat. All right.
Somebody's filling some orders. What'd you do, Alex?
I'm in my personal. I'm short.
Just holding up there right now, 260s. If we get that 240 area, I might be a buyer down there at the 240s. Walking on aerial, just past my first eval. Let's go.
Woo!
You crazy son of a gun. All right, there's the 250s. Can it get a little lower? Little lower. Take me a little lower, chat. Give me like a wick down there in that 240 area.
Why do you like 240?
This is that there's a bunch of support there, the 255s.
Okay.
And then kind of like from yesterday, the idea of swiping into that. Swipe it.
146 bottom wick.
There's 250s. Give me a little lower here. Little lower. Little lower. Little lower to the 250s. Little lower. Little lower. I'm going to grab one right there just in case this doesn't want to get all the way there into the 40s. But I'll put some more orders out there to try to get some more feel. Oh, there's the 42s. Ooh, 42s.
Got in at 43.
All right, now we're looking for a quick push back up here. We want to see those buyers stepping in there aggressively. We got 41 on the low there. And then now I really just want to see if I can't milk this trade for as much as I can now. I want to try to milk this trade, if you know what I mean. Someone said 220s coming. Well, you better get your 220s out of here, boy. Got no time for no 220s. We are already long.
Long
What's your Stop.
Basically the low of day. It's either gonna work or it's not. Okay, that's how I live my life. 1/4 mile at a time, boys. One candlestick at a time. Oh God, it's not gonna work. Oh, we're back. We're back, boys. Don't worry, Daddy's gonna be okay. No, we're down. We're up. Oh, it's down. It's up. 40s. We're back up. We just need to hold this 40 level, then we're golden. And then I think we could get all the way back up 280, 290, 300s maybe. It's a risk to reward, you know. There's risk, there's reward. Right now we're flirting with risk and not a lot of reward, but we're gonna try to get some reward here. It's holding. I mean, it's doing what we want it to do. It's holding.
I got markets 40s, and then I accidentally put my stop as like a set.
Ooh.
Blew my
Beautiful.
Blew up.
One
You
of,
are
those,
one
one
of
of
us,
those
son.
days, Landon.
One of us.
You are one of us. He blew his
One
account.
of
Fuck
us.
yeah.
One of us.
Need to get back above the 50s here quickly. Something needs to happen here. I do think there's potential for a rip back up if we can just get some support here.
Little Ripple Stiltskin.
Overall, the risk reward, I like it. It's fine. Risking 10 points, maybe make 30, 40 points.
Sheep.
The risk reward's there. It just might be a little early on the long. I think the longs are going to come in here at some point. It's a battle here so far. There we go. Getting stopped out.
Yep.
Oh, we got one. Ooh, we got one left actually. One left. Oh Lord. Now we're gonna go higher. Now the market makers have found my stop loss. They have found my stop loss here. Look at them. They're coming for it. They said, "Oh, we gonna get it." Son of bitches. Son of bitches. All right, down there to the 230s now. Still just dipping. We gotta play what we gotta play what we see. I still think there's a good long here. If we get back above this candle high, I might go long again, just to let it ride.
Let her ride.
We were short. We were shorting earlier. We were short earlier. And now it's hard to get short again down here, but might have just been a better idea to get short. Still going lower. Trade what you see, not what you think. Well, what I'm seeing right now is the market going down. So I like it.
Were you still holding your short in your personal?
No. That would be nice.
Yeah.
No, I mean, this thing's got no brakes. It's just, it looks like it
Trying to
just wants
long
to keep going
again
down.
here. Not financial advice, but looking for a pushback up here. Same idea. There we go. Back up nicely. Beautiful. I'll take it to 48s. Maybe push it even more. 51s. 51s looking for here.
Nice. I got it at 46. 32 to 46. 12 points. We're getting there.
12 points.
12
Let's
points.
go. Greg's back. He's in the green.
Well, we're $2 down, Patrick.
All right.
I
Well,
get too
$2
excited.
is $2 green.
I mean, that's pretty good.
I got
The
my
name of the
stop at
game.
the break even now. Looking for 51 to break, but I might even move this higher, like 55s now. God.
We're at 66%
Don't look at
profit
that.
today.
No, it's right here. I'm kidding. Yeah.
And stopped out there again. Fucking A. A little bit of profit. Just could not get that continuation back up. Got to kind of let those trades play out sometimes. That could easily be a 30, 40, 50 point trade back up here. It's just got to let her play.
A little indecisive.
Took the trade either way.
Oh, shit.
Down there, 220s. Someone said this is called a PW red day. What you talking about?
What you talking about?
What are they talking about? Who's red? What are they talking about, chat? The fuck is this guy talking about? What in the fuck is this guy talking about?
He doesn't even go to this school. It's a Mean Girl reference. How old I am.
What's he talking about, Chad? I'm confused. There it is, through the 200s now.
Man.
We kept trying to buy those little bounces. It's good. Now I get the little bounces. PW is not red on the day. PW is up $2,958 in these accounts. We've also got these accounts up 730. So yeah, you keep on looking for that rare day. Keep on looking, because you ain't gonna get one today. When you cycle accounts, it's easy to be green. What are you talking about? Who's cycling accounts? Like the shit that they come up with. The shit that they come up with. Cycling all the accounts. The accounts have all been cycled. There's a move. Look at it. I mean, the original's fucking that short idea that we had up there at the fucking 23,300s was. I don't think it could have got any better than that. Fucking A. Still downtown through the 200s now. She's pulling all the way back down there. There's going to be a long, right? At some point.
Gotta be.
There's a long, I'm telling you. Down there through the 80s now. I'm watching to see possibly take a long here. One more time. One more time with it. I'm going to try the longs. Want to see a quick push back up. Oh, Lord. Not the longs. Oh, God. PW Red Day coming. It's going to happen.
Come to a theater near you.
Wow.
Live on YouTube.
Push back up here. For Daddy. Oh. Risking 10 points here. 10 points. 10 points. Save me, NASDAQ. Save me. I mean, we broke through all those key levels. I think there's got to be some type of little pushback up here. But what do I know about trading? It's my first day. Just started this stuff. I do know that trying to buy the bottom is not a good idea, by the way. Don't do as I say, chat. Nvidia is tanking. Oh, Lord. Almost stopped out there again. This is the push that I need right here. I'm going to move it stop below 670 just in case we tap 70s right there. Stopped out there.
Oof.
No lows. We cannot pick the low today. The next low is 157s. I think this thing is going to rip at some point.
Ripple Stillskin.
Down there into the 160s again.
Wow.
If we get back above 180, I'm gonna try another long here. Trying the longs.
Unreal. Unfucking real.
It's gonna hit at some point. At some point, it's gotta hit.
Gonna hit boo.
True story. At some point, this thing's gonna give me a 100-point ripper to the upside here. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, chat. Oh, God. They are really playing with my heart.
Heart.
Stopped out again. Good Lord. Good Lord, chat. Good Lord. Well, you know what they say, if it doesn't work the first time, try the third time. Maybe the fourth time too. It works all the time. The next one will definitely work. Still just straight down. The ES straight down. NASDAQ straight down. We have not had a decent pushback up here in a while. 15-minute chart giving it all back up. Nvidia dumping here as well. We got a pivot point down there next at the 150s. 150 pivot point down there. There's the pushback up again. So annoying. Back up there through the 80s.
Oh my gosh.
Dang. A sneaky devil.
Still dumping through the 140s. 150s.
Who caught it? Who caught it?
Well, we got caught on the wrong side of the trend today, that's for sure. Good Lord. NASDAQ still downtown, 140s now.
All the way down to the 60s?
The what?
Down to the 60s, maybe. Could you imagine?
Down to the 40s
Drop
now.
another 100. Yeah, but I'm saying like another 100 points to the 60s. Flushity flush. Too much excitement.
This is crazy. This is insane.
The dump is real. Maybe all the way down there to the 23,000s today. The 10-minute chart, I mean, like 23,090 area, maybe.
I can't trade on this. Take profit trader.
Why?
I'm about to blow it.
Oh, God. Well, day one, blown. Day two, blow. Blow day two, blow one. All right, NASDAQ chopping around here, or not chopping, but sell all the way down there to the 150, 160s. You got a pivot point there, 155. Will they find some support Or do we just keep on cratering to the downside here? The bears are kicking it into overdrive, finally getting some blood here in the streets. Nvidia down 2% right now, 176. Nvidia pulling back. There's blood in the streets.
What I miss?
More selling, sir. More
What I
selling.
miss? I was hoping I was stuck in a trade in a positive way.
Come back.
Come
Wow,
back.
Look at that.
Look at that. We did it.
I left the trade up.
Woo!
NASDAQ still just kind of building out maybe that next bear flag for the next move down here. If we could maybe tap into like 180, 170s, another short opportunity.
The trend is your friend. I love all the options and all the options and futures. It makes me giggle, like grains and meats. You know, we start making some money on some grains. You know about the grain market, Alex?
Absolutely
guy.
nothing.
You flipping some
Man,
potatoes?
it makes me giggle.
Yeah, fucking flipped some potatoes today. Made a couple hun.
All right, NASDAQ back up there, 170s. I mean, at this point, the FOMO is real. Is this now the pushback up that we've been looking for? Kept trying to get this pushback up the last 3 pullbacks.
Or is this the perfect short opportunity?
Big boom buy now. Francis. Big boom. Greg's looking to get short.
I was thinking it, man.
Do it. Remember what I tell you.
I know, fucking do it. All right, we're doing
Don't
it.
listen to the chat.
We're doing
Greg's
it.
looking to get short of the 78s.
Come on, Greg.
Come on. I didn't even kiss it though. I didn't touch it yet. Oh, I would have been all right too.
Oh, Greg.
Right down there to that pivot point. 155 pivot point for now. 15-minute chart. We took out these lows, those lows, those lows. We're in the middle of this 15-minute candle now. Can we go lower first? Or can we continue going lower? Next level being that like 23,080 area. Right? 23,080 area.
All right. Come on now.
Someone says we don't like the bear flags. Well, I'm liking it if it looks like a good bear flag here. I'd look for a short basically at this point below like 150 if I was looking to get short. 150 area. Right now, still kind of holding there. We might put in a higher low there. We are right there This is kind of like that area that I was looking for a bounce at this, you know, earlier, kind of after we took out the low of those candles. If it gets above 23,180, someone said it's going to go higher. Well, you're not wrong, my friend. You are not wrong. But we'll see if it has potential. There's that 150 area again.
Greg, you in?
Nah, man. There's like 2 times that I was like, no, no.
On what? On the shorts?
On the shorts, yeah.
Well, just don't not do it.
Yeah.
Just take it. What's worse that could happen? You blow up the account, baby. That's the worst thing that could happen. But the other worst thing that could happen is you not take the trade,
True.
and then it doesn't work.
And then you just see it.
And then it does work. All right, we're looking to see if we have a bear flag continuation. I'm watching this like 155 area. If we break through 155, I'm looking for a short, and I'll hold this motherfucker. I'll hold it all the way till the bottom, baby. Till the bottom.
Live on YouTube.
Live. But right now it ain't going down, so we gotta maybe look for a long now. Just kidding. Buyer stepping up there again. I got my finger on the trigger here. Do I want to take a quick long? Garage Boy says should have held from 300. Yeah, well, you know what else I should have done? I should have fucking done a lot of things, Garage Boys. Oh fuck, look at this push now back up. Now I scared myself out of the longs. That's that push back up to 21 EMA. This is the first time we've tested the 21 EMA in a while. We're above the 9 EMA. The moment of truth. I'm trying to long here. Tight stop for a possible push through the 200, 220 area is what I'm looking for. Ruben in the chat said it's time to get long, so I have to follow.
Oh, Ruben.
Ruben said so.
He's Orlando too, isn't he?
He's in Orlando, yeah.
Yeah.
Francis is long from the bottom. Well, fuck. Why are you here then, Francis? You could be long from the bottom and then to go fucking sit on your yacht and just drink margaritas all day. I wouldn't be sitting here in the live stream talking, that's for sure.
I love that movie, The Interview. Dave, do you think that margaritas are gay? Do you think Katy Perry is gay?
What are you guys doing? You thinking anything long, short?
I'm long with you at
Yeah,
I'm
179.
Greg's long as well. Everybody's long. Oh, God. We inverted that fair value gap there, didn't we? We inverted this fair value gap. Ruben's long as well. I know. How do I turn off the legacy charts? I don't understand this fucking legacy charts thing. What the fuck is legacy charts? Where do they come from? Nobody wants the legacy chart. How do you get rid of legacy charts? Oh my, if I get stopped out again here, why?
Come on.
You guys are kidding me. No, I turn off the grid. I blame the chat.
Blame the chat.
Definitely the chat's fault. Click on the gear.
But now it might bounce off the 9.
I don't see anything about legacy chart. I don't get it. I don't know, chat. I clearly smoking crack right now. We are green in our funding ticks accounts. Everybody was fucking talking about the longs. Why is everybody talking about the longs? Why y'all talking about the longs for? Stop talking about the longs. Stop talking about it. Pulling back there into the EMA again. Everyone's still long. Well, now it rips back up. So I guess the longs were right. I guess the longs were smart.
I just got a little move on that.
Patrick, why? Why do you do this?
Ooh, I just did a 173 to 188.
Why? It just bounced off the pivot point there on the dot. I mean, that was the reason I was looking for the long there. I just fucking, what a stupid fucking break to the downside there, to be honest. Now right back up there, 23,200.
Man, get those good pops in there.
The good pops?
Good pops. So maybe a bounce off the 21 for continuation up.
Bounce off 21.
EMA.
Oh.
There'd be
Need
like
that 9 EMA and the 21 to cross here. Should be crossing soon.
crisscross applesauce.
Push back up, maybe 240s or so.
Someone said we're making you worse.
This is, I mean, it has been a discussion before. Go long now, Patrick. They did that to trap the shorts since all day it was a pop drop algo. So now it's switched, going to 23,300s. Okay. As long as you promise that's going to go to 23,300s.
I think I would try to go long at 188.
You are?
No what?
Gonna try to go long at 188 if it pops back down a little bit.
188, that's pretty far down there.
And when I
It sucks
said
because like this was the idea that I had. Just I think, you know, we just a little early to the idea basically.
a little early to the party.
Are you in or are you not?
Not right now, no. Gotta let this thing kind of do some type of bull flag here. Put in another higher low in that 180 area would be nice. We push up maybe 224, 220 area. Little pullback, get above that 21 there. The EMAs are crossing now. ES is pushing back up. The Dow is pushing back up. The NASDAQ is pushing back up. Everybody's pushing back up now. So we were just like 15 minutes early. That's all it was, really. I'd say we were 15 minutes early there to the longs. Honestly, that's the way I look at it. Where is the mentorship? These guys are terrible traders and are confusing your followers. Well, they're not here to mentor people, that's for sure. The whole idea was
don't do what we're doing.
But it's a little harder than I thought it was gonna be. I'm trying, people. Okay, what do you guys have any questions? Let's talk about Greg first, since Greg's over there fucking smiling ear to ear. Let's talk about Greg's trades today. Okay, Greg, where are you at?
Uh-oh.
You're trying to get long at 88s.
In the hot seat now. Yes.
What?
Yeah,
okay,
yeah, correct.
that's fine. Don't just because I asked, don't like get scared and not want to talk about it.
Like, I'm not gonna do it anymore.
Yeah, I mean, you're just doing the same shit I told you not to do.
Going along with the 88s?
What?
Going along.
No, trying to like you're taking like fucking 5-point trades.
Oh, I know it, man. Yeah. I mean, there was.
Like, this is you got to stop this.
I've taken like 4 or
You gotta
5
stop
of that
this.
are like 10 or 12 pointers.
You got to stop this.
But yeah, if I think it's going in the wrong direction, is
You
when
got
I'm
to
taking
zoom out
the,
and look at the bigger fucking picture, my friend.
the quick
You
ones.
can't just only trade the fucking 1 second chart and
teeny tiny little guys.
Yeah. I mean, you had a good short here at the 320s.
Uh-huh.
You could have held that all the way to a key level. It's not even showing on the chart. Sorry. Now it's showing. Here's your chart. But you know what I mean? Like, there were so many trades that you could have held.
Right.
There was no reason to cover. Like here, you try to get long. You were short, and then, or you get long and then get short. Or no, you. Yeah. Greg, I told Greg this morning to not go for 5-point trades.
At least 10.
And look what happened. He went full retard. Doesn't listen.
Doesn't
listen.
listen.
All right. So Greg gets a F for today in terms of holding trades for longer than 10 seconds. But yeah, think about it. Like, because the thing is, if you weren't looking for like those quick trades,
Right.
then you would be able to focus more on like the bigger picture in the trend, right?
The longer ones.
So there was plenty of times like where you could have, gone with your short entry and then let it ride.
Right.
And then you manage the trade once you're in it. Then you're like, okay, we're making new lows. Let's wait,
And see how it all plays out.
So
Well, do you think now 188 would be a good, if it comes down there, that'd be a good
I don't think
long
it's a bad
entry,
idea,
or no?
no. But the problem is you just might not get that
Get
dip.
it. Yeah.
If you get it, I think you'll have a good entry as long as those 180s can hold up there. Problem is now it just might not want to dip below those EMAs again.
Get it all the way. Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, even this long right here, you got long at 73. Why, you could have held that longer.
Well, we got the 10 points on that one, or 12 points.
You got long right there and then got stopped out right there. Yeah, I mean, it's just more patience.
Yeah.
We got to work on that this week.
Yeah.
Think about it like, look at the 5-minute chart and look at your 5-minute chart. Like, that's what your 1-minute entries look like on a 5-minute chart.
Right.
So it's like we're trying to size you down so that way you can hold on to trades longer and like talk yourself through
Oh
them
shit!
more.
Hold on.
All right, so now you're in this trade. So what are we gonna do? Right, we're gonna
Put our stop underneath this candle.
I think, you can put your stop basically at like 170s. Maybe I'd say like 170 area. Might need to move it a little lower. No, I think you'd be. I don't know, it's kind of rolling off right here now.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. She's rolling off. This is the problem too with like trying to buy these dips on this, because now it's like it's rolling off. Whereas when we're trying to buy the breakouts, the market's moving up, right? Right now, the momentum is literally just rolling off here. So now it's gonna pull back, stop you out
there.
there.
It is.
So
and then instantly turn around.
see now maybe it bounces, but you can see how like See all that momentum just dried up there at the 210s?
Right.
We just lost all that momentum and started to roll over. So when it's starting to roll over, we're not trying to buy those dips.
Yeah.
Whereas, like,
Yeah, I should have canceled that.
if we're looking here, doesn't really any good fucking bull flags, but so you want to wait. Remember how we're talking about like getting that price momentum to like get tight, and then we're looking for that like next expansion down from there. So that's why we're shorting those first candle to make a new low like through that. The low of that candle right there was 329. The low of that candle is 328. So we're looking to break that bear flag to the downside and shorting that momentum to the downside here, instead of being like, the problem is if you're trying, let's just say you're trying to fucking get short, like if you're just trying to get short with no like real breakdown or breakout, then you end up like here. That's like we kind of did that this morning, right? We got short in this little area where we're sitting there and the market's like getting real tight, and we're trying to short in here, and then once it happens, it just squeezes right back up and like stops us out, and then we end up becoming buyers at that point. So we're really kind of waiting for like that price action to get really tight, and then we're looking for like that candle to make a new high or new low based on that. See, now the problem is this dip down here takes you out, and then bam,
and then
it's right back
up
to
there
your
you
entry.
Yep.
So I think it was really just a timing thing there. It was just like these little candles right here. Look at those little 1 minute candles. Like, you know that it's gonna expand out of that. Like that the first candle that breaks these candles is just gonna want to fucking drip right down there, because everyone did what you did or what we did, putting our stops there. Now it pushes back up here. Riding the waves, my friend. If anything, you just had to have a bigger stop loss there.
Yeah.
And you're risking like the low of day.
It would have worked. Yeah, it would have worked.
But again, you know, like, you didn't need to buy that red candle down.
Right.
You could have waited to buy the 79s.
Right.
Like when that candle dips down, the next candle pushes back up there, and then we're above, like you're kind of pushing above that previous candle high. So you'd been like long at the 180s.
Right.
Don't need to buy a red candle. Buy the green candles.
I think that's a big problem with beginner traders like myself.
Yeah.
You try to buy that dip, you just want to hit that perfect tick, right? And before you get confirmation, you're just you're in and you're in the negative, and next thing you know, your account's blown, right?
Well, the problem too is like once you're in that trade, like it just, your whole emotion is now just like you're freaking out with your emotion, right? Of like, you're not worried about the trade anymore. You're just worried about losing money, and it takes over. The emotion takes over. So we're trying to avoid that there as best as we can. But that drop and then the pop,
man.
I think you had the right idea, Greg.
Just wrong.
Just a little bit better.
I should have canceled the order too.
Better execution.
It was like 7 minutes since I even made it.
Yeah, setting that. It's a good way to look at it. You could have if you'd have got long at the 68s, you'd be fucking sitting there like a genius.
Yeah, super happy.
It's almost like, I think if you look at it again, we can always sit there and like figure out what we can do better. But like, see where that long was like right at the peak of like these little candle highs, but the bottom of these candle lows, like this candle low was 180. These kind of candles are down here at the 160s. So your ideal idea is like minimum we take out that 178 low of this candle, that little like green candle right there. So if you would have had your stop, you know, down here in the 70s, or man, if you'd had your entry down here in the 70s there,
and then the stop,
and then had your stop at like
candle,
you know, below this candle low, so kind of like pulling into there, would have been a better setup for sure. It's hard to pick the top and the bottom. Very hard, very, very tricky. On the day right now, we're up 4,000. These two accounts, 8,000. Getting some trades in there. My charts still don't. I got to make them yellow. But still, like, it's legacy charts. Dude, why is this still legacy charts? I'm so confused. Who did this to me? Who did this? I don't even understand. Where did I don't see anything that says legacy charts anywhere. Plus in the upper left of trade of 8. How is this? This is actual legacy chart? Who in their right fucking mind would have done that to me? Who would have done this? Oh God, now look at him. Now I look even weirder. All right, now we're back. I was confused for a minute there.
So we just made kind of a higher high from 10 minutes ago. Now are we looking at the bounce at 167?
I mean, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got here? We're looking. So now the question is this like a bigger bear flag type setup, right? If you look 5-minute chart, that bigger bear flag type of setup. If we lose, I think like that 160 area, then maybe it's a bear flag type setup there. But again, we're not really getting short until we do what? Anybody?
Confirmation.
We got confirmation, but what kind of confirmation would we want to see?
I mean, if it breaks below that.
No. What kind of confirmation? It's a simple. It's
I don't know.
nobody. Think about it. If the market, what's it doing? It's gonna put in a lower high.
Yeah.
There you go. Lower high. Right now, we're putting in higher lows, higher lows. So until we put in a lower high, there's no reason to really fuck with it. I'm looking at it like I basically kind of want to see like there and then the sell down type setup would be ideal. Bear flag break, correct? Dude looks like Patrick, but if he was handsome. Damn.
Damn.
I think I'm saying that you look more handsome than me.
Man, it's
Fuck.
been a mixture.
This is fucked up.
I
Can't have somebody here more handsome than me.
It's like the Temu version of Rip and all this other stuff.
God. All right, chat. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Right now, we got 915 likes. We are crushing the views this week. Over 6,000 concurrent viewers early this morning. So, can we review Patrick's trades? No, sir, we can't. We don't do those. Don't do those trades. Don't do those trades.
It's not giving away that secret sauce.
No, I'll show you. Wait. Does it not come up on the... Oh, there it is. I mean, my best trade of the day was clearly this trade. Shorting up here at the 347s, covering into the 320s. Look at it go. We shorted again there at the right there. Remember we were sitting there watching like that 300 level and it was like a very mini little bear flag. And we were like, what do you got to do here? And I'm like, sometimes, I mean, you might just have to short it.
Yeah, I thought you were going long.
What?
I thought you were going
Why
long.
would I go long when I said
don't
sometimes
know.
you just got to go short?
Oh, man.
The mixed signals in this room.
Right. Okay.
You're like, wait, what? I was like, yeah, sometimes you got to just short it. He's like, okay, long.
All right, we're going
All right.
on.
Perfect. If he said it's sometimes you got to short it, sometimes you got to go long. But I mean, definitely could have held all those trades a lot longer today. Got to focus on that. Had the short there. This short at this morning on the, I think the short of the fucking day would have been this one. I don't even know what happened with this bullshit. I got shorted open on the M&Q by accident. Look at that short from the 45s
Yeah, that was
down there to the 311s in the first 1 minute candle. 45 right to the 311s. That was the short of the day. Short of the day Good thing we're up $4,000 on the day. Across the two accounts on the day. Where we at, boys? Well, how we looking? Anybody red? Anybody green?
Oh,
Anybody green?
I'm completely red.
All right, well,
I'm maxed
Alex
out
is
here.
completely red.
I'm maxed out.
Just a little red.
All right, well, you know. Rome was not built in a day. Rome was not built in a day.
No.
But
I
what
mean-
would have been, what do you think, like, where did you struggle the most at today?
Every single trade that I took, it went the opposite way.
All right, well, let's go through Alex's little setup here. All right, so the first trade of the day that you took was, dude, even your fucking things, the legacy.
Phantom moon.
All right. 1 minute chart. Let's look, see what Alex did today. First trade right there, short. 56s. Right?
Yep.
Covered.
I think so.
Yeah. Covered. Into the 41s. Then what'd you do here? Got short again. 338s. Stopped out.
I think so.
Looks like it. Sell. Stop.
Is that the 1 minute chart?
I think either you got long or you got short. That's a 1 minute chart. Looks like looks like you were trying to get short there. 38s got stopped out. 56s. So I think a little rule that you can apply to your stuff, Alex,
Yeah.
is no reason to really do anything when we're that far away from that EMA, right? Like, think about it like that. Like, if you're all these short entries, if you would have waited for that pushback up to the 9 EMA, you would be in a lot better spot,
Right.
right? So here, what'd you do? You went, you tried to get long there again. That might have been me influencing you, but you got long at the 310s, stopped out at the 298s, short there, 291s, covered the 280s. And then just kind of the same issue. It's my fault. I blame myself.
I mean,
I was looking for the longs like an idiot. That definitely didn't help you guys.
yeah, we were fighting the trend today. That's for sure.
Yeah. No, I mean, it's obviously in hindsight, it's easy to look at it now and say what we could have done, should have done. But I think lesson of the day, obviously, is just don't fight the trend. We would have been much better off not fighting the trend. I don't know why I was fighting the trend so hard. I mean, I guess it was the idea that we would push back up at some point. I don't know why I was so focused on that, but we did push back up 140s to the 220s. Still holding that pivot point there, 23,155. So, ding, 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 ding. So, fighting the trend today, the lesson of the day.
Big fighting the trend today.
Well,
I mean,
trying to fight the trend and then trying to pick the bottom over and over. That was just not a good play today. Today was not the day to try to pick the bottom. Today was one of those days where you just fucking let it ride. I want to get to a point where at some point in my trading career, I think I'm getting very close to that, where, I put on a trade, like when we get short below 300, like for the 300 break, we get a short there and then we just we don't cover until we get a close above the 21.
right.
On the 1 minute chart there. Might not be a terrible strategy, trying to force myself to hold those losers, hold the winners a little longer. Trying to short into that EMA. We're trying to short into the 9 EMA and then cover if we get back above the 21 EMA there.
Yeah.
Just to get a little bit more continuation.
Do I have that EMA on my chart? I don't think I do.
You should. Yeah, it's the 9 EMA.
I got the blue. Yeah, the 9, the blue one.
Yeah. Right now, looking like a bear flag to the downside. If it wants to break, we broke the 5-minute bear flag set up here. So see if the market wants to go lower through the 160s again. The ES and the NASDAQ both kind of rolling off here. Right there at that pivot point now, the 160s. So
Homework tonight's to watch your course. That's what someone said.
homework tonight is to just fucking hammer the idea that the trend is the friend, the trend is our friend, the trend is our friend, the trend is our friend. It was like almost trying to be sneaky and being like, oh, I'm gonna pick the bottom here. I'm so smart. Definitely not the day to be a smart guy.
Yeah, I mean, that's never worked for me, right? That's how I blow most of my accounts.
It doesn't work for me either. Clearly did not work today. Big old bear flag looking thing on the 15-minute chart. The low on that 15-minute candle is 150 and then 138. I mean, it's been a lot of selling pressure. This 15-minute candle almost engulfed that whole previous candle there.
Oh, wow.
Five-minute chart again, kind of holding that pivot point there, 155 pivot point. The pivot point indicator that I use is pivot point standard on TradingView. Very simple, very easy, nothing crazy. I mean, this real, I'd say we should make new lows here. If they start to sell it through the 60s and 50s, try to make new lows.
Keeps getting stuck right here. Looks like it wants to break lower, but it's just getting stuck.
I think it will, just kind of going into that 11:30, 12 o'clock hour.
Man, just wicking.
Holding up there at that pivot point for now. Through this pivot point, I think trouble there. Dave Ford, let's go. Dave from Canada taking the week off to do the mentorship with us. Well, hopefully it's valuable for you, Dave. We're gonna try our best here. No promises. See, and again, just popped it right back up there, chopping around. Just no like clean break to the downside here after all that selling pressure.
Just a week off the trade with us. Thanks for doing this mentorship package. Dave from Canada.
Dave.
Let's go. Greg, you liking the shorts or anything? What are you looking at? Talk to us, Greg. What are you doing over there? It's funny, you'll talk about getting short at the weirdest places, and then when there's actually like a short setup, you don't even talk about it.
I think I'm like stuck in my head that I'm a reversion trader, I guess, without being successful
what
at
would you be
it.
doing right now? Looking for a long?
Not anymore. No, I would have looked for a long maybe at like I mean, again, 160 almost with
Okay, so
with the
what-
stop being at
Tell us
like
what you're looking at. What would you
stop
be
being
looking
at
at
like
here?
155. Just again, because the wicks just keep hitting 157 and not going lower. So it'd be hopefully a quick, you know.
I mean, I don't want to. I'd say there's a 99.9% chance we go lower.
And that's why I'm not doing
99.9.
it.
That's a big percentage there.
I know. Well,
But we just gotta, if we get through this pivot point there, the 155s, I don't see how we don't take out this low down there. That low does not look very pretty either. That 130, 140 level. But who knows?
so would you try to enter after it breaks 156, or you wait for it to break 156, come up a little bit, and then we enter for the big flush? Or like very first, I guess now is when I would do a short with my stop at like 181 or something.
You do what? You would short here?
Yeah, like this is the better place that I would feel like I would short, right? And then you just do a stop a little bit above all these wicks.
Yeah, no, that's for sure gonna get stopped out.
Yeah, it would have just done that right now.
That's for sure gonna get stopped out. I think we kind of need, maybe we had retest that 9 EMA. Gene like the pants. Patrick, how do you get yourself to hold winner for longer? I keep moving my stop loss to be at 100. How do you get to the confidence? More trades, more time, more confidence. Confidence comes in time, right? That's all it really is. Greg doesn't know what he's looking at.
How much did that cost that person?
$2.
$2.
$2
$2
to make fun
to
of you.
throw it out there. Jeez.
$2 to talk trash. That's crazy.
Are these guys brand new to trading? Guys, I wouldn't have there'd be no point in doing a mentorship with traders who for 10 years who have been trading. Yet,
This is an
that would
expert.
seem like a terrible idea. Seem like a terrible idea.
And where to learn than from the
180
biggest and
still
largest.
holding up there as resistance. I mean,
You like the shorts?
I think the shorts are going to get paid here. I don't know. Just keep. I mean, it's like just really being a pain in the booty. Being a pain in the booty there. I'd basically just be like, what's that candle do that for? The fuck? Just be looking for that break to the downside through all this. Need to get through that 160 area basically for the shorts. Adriana Rosero, welcome to the BDH general admission. You got a ticket to the show, baby. Woo. All right, I'm gonna leave this up for you two. Don't fuck it up. All right, don't fuck it up. Talk about what you talk. You guys talk to each other. What you do here. Figure it out.
Figure it out.
Daddy can't do everything.
Gonna go rogue.
What are you doing?
Sit and wait.
You're just gonna sit and wait. Well, those shorts are looking nice. If we don't get stopped here again. Had a little pop back up.
Yeah, I mean, looking at the 5 mark,
Just-
5 minute, yeah.
You look at the 5-minute chart?
Now I am. I was looking at the 1 minute.
I mean, that's what I look at.
Like, I feel like now I got to look at the
Look,
5, and then
look,
when I'm
now
ready
they're
for my
paying.
entry, switch over to the 1. But yeah, it's pushing down pretty good now.
Still going?
Yep.
There we go.
Damn.
There we
Just
go.
broke the low. So yeah, where would the entry have been then? We were thinking
Probably
it was
that
going to go
pop back
down.
up. So like
Yeah, when it
See
popped
that
up
pop
to like
back
the
up to,
183.
186-ish. And then maybe that down candle.
Uh-huh.
That first down candle. I mean, now it's freaking going.
Just sledging off. What they saying?
Someone said, "Watch you go long."
Me? I was thinking about it. You
Were
sons
you?
of bitches. No.
I mean, what do we know?
I mean, I was talking about going short at the, 182s.
Maybe that long wouldn't have been so bad, huh?
Mm-hmm. I mean, again, just quick moves. Take a couple quick moves out of it. I feel like that's going to end up being my style. I'm going to be like the mongoose trader. Just going in for 5 points all day, every day.
Dude, that's stressful, though.
Right?
You know what I mean? That's too much.
Especially in the minis. Those 5 points
Yeah.
fluctuating quick.
I got my trophy up on the thing.
There it is.
Got the trophy.
He brought it today.
Trophy.
Woo!
Ooh, look at that trophy. It's that Marlin trophy.
Look
Look
at
at that bear flag. Are you kidding me?
Right?
Did you guys make money?
We didn't know. We were sitting here.
I did on my personal.
Oh my god. You didn't take that short? Greg. You did short?
Old
I was
Greg.
asking you.
Greg. Fuck, it don't fit on the goddamn shelf.
There you go. It was good up there.
Fuck. Greg.
So where would you
You
venture?
gotta be kidding me.
So
what
would
do you
you-
mean, where would I enter?
Would you 156?
Where do you mean, where would I have entered? Greg! Are you fucking kidding me, Greg? You were gonna go long, the chat said?
No, motherfucker. I was
You were
gonna
gonna go long?
I was gonna go short. Remember at
Are you-
181.
Am I speaking fucking English?
We were talking about going short at
What was
like
I talking
180, 181. We decided not to, and then a second later, yeah.
I said, hey, look at the bear flag. Look at the little yellow line, Greg. Look at the little yellow line. Look at the little, if we break through the little yellow line, we go through the 155s. There's the move down to the 124s, Greg.
And just slushed.
Come on. That was it.
That was the one.
That was the
That
fucking
was the
trade,
one.
though. Really, it was. Fuck. That's painful. It's painful to see. I thought I was going to come back and see you guys making a bunch of money over here.
Celebrating.
But why did you not like that short? You even said like, oh, maybe if it pushes back over the 183 area,
And then,
I'd be
and then you
thinking
were
about
like,
shorting.
you told me not to do it.
I didn't say anything.
You said I'd get stopped out.
I said you get stopped out if you got short at 77 and put your stop at 180.
Oh yeah.
That's what I said. Because what did it do? It did exactly that. So here's a lesson, my friend. Think about it like this. You called out the idea of your stop being at the 180s.
Right.
Right? So everyone like Greg,
They were all
guess
thinking
what
it
they
too.
did? They did exactly what you did. They got short there into those EMAs. They put their stop at the 180s. They get stopped out, and then bam, market pulls back.
That makes sense.
So you identified the perfect setup to get short. Once that trap happens,
We just gotta dial it in more.
just gotta believe in it. Gotta believe in it, man.
Gotta
That's
believe.
all. You gotta
Bill-
believe.
Bill
If you don't believe in it, then you ain't gonna get out like it is. You just ain't ever gonna make any money.
True.
So the moral of the story.
Make
If you
money.
call, like we talked about yesterday, if you call out a trade and you like it, just take
Just
it.
take
From
it.
now on, no more bullshit. No more like, I just want you taking trades.
Taking it.
Worst, you know what I mean? Like, it don't matter if you
Right.
make money or not. I just want to see you actually take all the trades that you talk about, just take those trades. Don't talk about them, just take them. And then see what happens at the end of the day.
Yeah.
But like, again, we're trying to take these trades with more than just like a,
Yes.
because if you're just entering a trade and all you're doing is right away taking profit, you're not trading.
Right.
You're just at that point you're gambling, right? Like you're basically picking a point and you're like, okay, I'm in.
That's it.
And then I'm out.
That's it.
And that's all. Like you're giving yourself no time to like think about the trade. You're giving you no time to actually like focus on making money.
Yeah.
Because it's
digest
like,
it.
hey, if you got short at the 160, 155s, whatever, you're like, okay, cool. Look, bam, we go all the way to the 125s. Maybe you take a partial there, but then you're looking at it like, hey, what are we doing now? Now we're stuck there below the EMAs. You know, what can I do to kind of maximize this potential? It's almost always that the market just loves to take out these lows, right? It loves to like take out lows. It took out that low from earlier. It took out the, it just takes out all these lows. It's taking out this low again. I mean, fuck. Also, head and shoulders. Fucking boom. Boom. Head and shoulders. Fucking continuation right there.
Yeah.
That is a textbook head and shoulders continuation move. This being the shoulder right there, we get stuck, the flag, and you're in it. That's the trade
That
right
was the
there.
trade.
Yeah, after it pops back up, right?
Yeah, because, well, again, what did it do? It trapped, right?
Yeah.
When you see all these, like, all these candles have all these little, just like almost like straight, like get rid of those EMAs there. Look at this. You get rid of the EMAs and look at like the highs of those candles. See the high of those candles? Like, it's just like, it's gotta get taken out, right? It's a trap.
Yeah.
It's a trap because the bulls are like, oh, if we break above these highs, I'm gonna get long. And then what happens? Whee! Just dumps it right back down.
So maybe he should have got in like right here.
Well, really, I mean, really, like he could have gotten
Or-
short.
A break above that would have
He
gone
could
short.
have. I mean, he originally said like, oh, I'm gonna get short here at the 77s and then put my stop at the 84s. Whereas you could reverse that psychology and be like, hey, I'm gonna wait for the 180s to get taken out and then I'm gonna short.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, and then he'd be fucking sitting real pretty because
Yeah.
again, it's like, what's your risk on this trade? If you're short here from the fucking 78s, your risk is like right there, 10 points. You're targeting the low from earlier. That's fucking 30, 40 points all day. Like those are I want to see by the time you leave the BDH, I want to see those fucking
30 to
20,
40s.
30 point
Yeah.
runners, baby. I think you've got some really good entry ideas. You just gotta like think about it a
Execute.
little differently.
Execute a little better.
You know what I mean? Like the short idea was you were on the right idea. You just had to, you were on the right idea of making money. You
It's
just
almost
needed
there.
to kind of be like, okay, think about it a little bit more. If I want to
little
get
notch.
short right here at the 177s, can I really put my stop there at the 180s?
Right.
You know, like ideally your stop needs to be like 200 really. If you're gonna do that 77 stop, but obviously like you prefer not to, right? You prefer to not do that. Look at that.
Yeah.
Unleashing American drone dominance. Look at that. Drone dominance. America's gonna take over the fucking drone market. Fuck you, DJI. Fuck you, China. Fuck you, everybody. America #1 on the TV right now. They're talking about unleashing the American drone dominance. This is what happens when you let DJI fucking make every drone in the world take over. Those fuckers. I got some choice words for those fucks. For the China man.
China.
All right. What do we got? Well, give me some more. What we got? More questions.
So now we got a bear flag about to go down.
What do you think we're targeting down here? Yesterday's open, yesterday's low.
Honestly, I'm thinking this could be honestly be like maybe a pushback up now.
Right now?
Yeah, I mean, to the fact of I wouldn't want to be short right here, to be honest. Like now,
No.
if I wasn't short here, I wouldn't want to be short right here right now. Just because we've already taken out this 15-minute candles, right? We took out all 3 of those 15-minute candles, so we might just chop around here some more. So
What are the chances it goes? So yesterday's low is
yesterday's low,
2388, 23,088. What are the chances you think it goes down there? I mean, we've gotten this far down. It's like, do you stop now?
I think there's a chance that we could chop around, maybe push back up some more. I mean, because like look at how the price is moving now too. It's just kind of looking a little trappy down there. If this gets back above 160s, I think it could push back up. It just has to stay below those pivot points. I personally would not get short there, especially because we have this big dump candle and then we make a new low, but then what do? We push right back up. The orb low is all the way up at the 23,300s. Andre B said, "Get short now, Greg."
About to. Gonna help you guys out.
Andre B. everyone's talking about the bear flag, but it's just like, if you look at the bigger time frames, it's kind of looking a little trappy to me. Like it wants to pop back up here.
W recovery.
One last push down.
Yeah, one last push to like 124. Then we shoot up 125.
Right? I mean, I don't know. It is also almost 12 o'clock, so another reason to not be trading this hour.
I agree.
Because I look at look how beautiful the 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock hour was.
And I didn't get one good trade in there.
You had some trades.
Well,
You didn't hold your trades.
no, that's
So then you ended up over trading. Because if you would have held the trades for longer, then you wouldn't be trading every little tick and every little move. So you're mentally you'd be feeling different.
I think I need to focus on where to put my stops.
Yeah. Makes sense. Oh, what the fuck? Holy shit, dude. I don't understand. Dude, what in the fuck? Look at this guy. Bro, what? We got this guy on the leaderboard, Funding Ticks leaderboard. He's up $62,000. And he's only...
Damn.
His average winning trade is 4,500. His average losing trade is $65. What in the actual fuck? What is he doing? Thomas H. Up 62,000. How in the fuck? How is he up that much? I don't even understand it.
Thomas is a beast.
I don't know. That's just, how many trades has he even taken? He's only taken 15 trades. What in the fuck? How is that possible? How is that possible? How is he taking 15 trades? There's this guy on Funding Ticks. He's up $62,000. He's only made 15 trades. 6 hours is his average duration.
So I didn't
I've
want
got
to.
644 trades, but I've also been in the account for a lot longer than this person.
That's actually me. I didn't want to say anything, guys.
Yeah, it's Greg.
I'm
Greg's
just,
actually killing it.
yeah. I'm throwing you guys off for what I'm doing live, but that's what's going on in the background.
God, that's such a joke. On the 100K account, I'm still ahead of Flavio. Fuck you, Flavio. Flavio is one of our... I've been in this account for 46 days, and I've made 27,000. So... Fucking Flavio coming for me, man. Will you slow down, Flavio? Flavio's doing better, too. 75% win rate right now. Damn it. Damn it, Flavio. Damn it. Where's Flavio at? You here, Flavio? Are you here, Flavio? All right, well, there's that. Hey, look what happened. Now we just trapped. Look at that trap there above the 150, 160s.
Short.
They're trapping. Trap or die. She's down there through the 120s.
Is this going to be the W-shaped recovery now?
W shape. WWW. ES is at the lows. NASDAQ also here at the lows now. So if we can take out that 26, 20 area. Next target's kind of like that 2390s down there. Yeah, you can only take out what the reward cap is on the Funding Ticks Zero account anyways. So I don't really see a reason to make $50,000 honestly, but it's cool that he did it, I guess. Just gonna make the consistency rule a lot harder. It's kind of like the Apex accounts. At a certain point, it's just not worth it to make more money. You can make $1 million like per account, but it's the consistency rule will just end up screwing you over in the end. All right, NASDAQ chopping around down here at the lows. Gonna be like a W setup, Greg said, huh?
I did go long.
You went long? You gotta tell us you go long.
Yeah,
Why
but
don't
I
you
feel like
tell
every
us?
time I call it, then I get freaked out. I'm like, ah, shit, I
Don't
didn't do the
say-
right thing. Hey, I got the 10 points. Yay,
There you go. Greg got
Patrick.
10 points
We
off the
did
longs.
it.
Congrats to Greg. Congrats
Nice,
to
Greg.
Greg.
Nice, Greg.
Let's see, we did it at 133 to 143.
Hey, we're doing better. We're
Are you
doing
not
better.
entertained?
We're doing better.
Are you not entertained?
Flavio's up 3,000 today. God damn it, Flavio.
He was following my trades.
Now I got to make more
You're
money.
welcome, Flavio.
NASDAQ put in that kind of higher low off the 125s. To get back above the 155s, that's Ruben said, please don't take profit, Greg. Don't take profit, Greg. Hold it forever.
Ruben. Listen,
Greg, don't
Ruben.
ever take profit.
Ruben, we're
said.
hanging out. We're hanging out as soon as I get back to Orlando, bud. We're gonna go surfing and day trade. Wake surfing.
NASDAQ just holding these lows for now. It's almost 12 o'clock.
How much are you guys sweating right now? Odd question.
It's cold in here.
Man, I'm sweating so much though. I'm like, whew.
Are you nervous?
It just gets me
Sweating over
amped up.
there. He's sweating for
Amped
those
up in the
2 points.
BDH, man.
He's sweating for those 3 points a day.
Right?
Well, NASDAQ just now back up there to that pivot point. Kind of looking like it could try to push back up here again. That high that came out earlier, 168, and then 180s after that. Greg could have taken that long all the way to the moon.
Jeez.
What happened, Greg?
Paper handed
Greg.
it.
Paper hander.
Paper handed it.
He's a paper hander. He got the hands of paper.
Oops.
That's why the goats love him, because when he touches them, they're like, oh, it's so
Ooh,
soft.
look at this paper.
He got like the Charmin soft.
The shark.
Charmin soft hands. No diamond grip.
Is that Head and Shoulders?
No, that's Charmin. Charmin soft. NASDAQ trying to push back up here. Again, they're stuck at the 164, 65s. Five-minute candle stuck there at the 90 EMA again. At those 55s there. Got wick, 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 wick. Wicks on the bottom, wicks on the
Wickety wick.
tops.
Wiggy, wiggy, wiggy.
Wick on the bottom, wick on the tops. No direction. Overall trend is down. NASDAQ, ES both got stuck right there, kind of at the same level. These 5-minute candles just are lapping up here. Not right now.
Ooh, he's itching.
I'll get you later. I don't have
Itching
one
to
right
burn
now.
him.
Landon already blew his account. Wants another one. Give me more.
Kaboom!
Still holding up down there at the lows. Right back up again.
So what are you hoping for now? What is the perfect setup?
I think the perfect setup would be we sell down and we make a new low here, but just not trying to do that. It's not trying to do that right now. As long as they can keep it below 160s, the bears should win here, but someone said it's time to walk away. It is almost time to walk away here.
I'd say so. I mean, blew one account.
Trading
I'm
ain't
up
easy.
on another.
It ain't easy.
Definitely not.
No,
easy.
it's not easy.
Still going nowhere. 155, 160 area. If they get it above that 160s, I think then maybe back up there towards the 200s next.
Looking for a long.
They hold this low long enough. 12 o'clock.
Long dogger.
ES is kind of the same exact setup right now. ES is just sitting there. 325 area. The Dow, a little bit of a push on the Dow back up here already. NASDAQ just got to get through that 160s, 170s. Look how the EMAs are just right there stacked up, holding the 5-minute chart. After that, you got the 194 for the 21 EMA there on the 5-minute chart. I like to look at different time frames for those EMAs. Right now, we're above the EMAs on the 1-minute chart. Got a 21 coming up on the 3-minute chart. I'd say maybe back above the 170s, then we can go for it.
Try to go long instead.
I'm not sure I'd get long either. It's just kind of at that point where it's time to walk away. There's that 162. What was that? The high in that candle right there is 69. So trying to see if we're going to break through that 69s, run to the 80s there next. Getting real tight down there. Testing. 70s. 70s. Squeeze it back up there now. The 5-minute chart broke out through that previous 5-minute candle high. Someone said get long till 23,460. Holy shit.
Jeez.
Today or tomorrow?
That's the guy that holds the trades for 6 hours.
Yeah, fucking A.
How's the news course coming? Are you done with that yet?
No, there's supposed to be. I'm working on learning from what you guys need to learn, and then I can put it in the course.
Nice, man. I'll get that course.
The guinea pigs. No, I'm just trying
I'll get the guinea
to
pig.
figure out what I need to
Guinea
talk
pig
about.
course.
Clearly, I need to talk about a lot of stuff
There's a lot, man.
for
This-
Greg over here.
This is
my
how you
special
can
friend.
Scroll
me
in and out
too.
of the charts. Listen, I'm only down $48 today.
All right.
That's,
He's down, but he's up.
That's a 12x improvement from yesterday.
It's a lot better than fucking A,
Shit.
yesterday.
Trending in the right direction. Tomorrow,
Only up from here, baby.
tomorrow we're gonna be up 200, and then Thursday up 1,200.
Ooh, I like those. The growth. The growth is solid. NASDAQ kind of looking like it wants to pop, but it's getting real tight. We're right there at that 60 area. If we start to sell down here, I'd say the bulls are going to be in trouble. Maybe some shorts back below the 140s, but for right now, the bulls are trying to push above those EMAs, above the pivot point for now. Edward J called this move out earlier. Damn, Edward. How early did you call it out?
Edward.
At what time? Tell me the exact time.
Get him to the BDH.
Yep. You got to do the $5 call out next time, Edward,
Called
so we
it
can hear
out.
it.
I called it out earlier. Well, you know what, Edward? Congratulations to you,
There's a
fucking
little
Edward.
bummer.
Look at that. I called it out too. The market went higher. Oh my God, I'm a genius. Hey, everybody, I called it out. I told you it was going to go higher. It wanted to pop. You might want to know how I knew. I just knew, man. Just fucking knew it. Ruben wants the 200s, he said. I don't know, Ruben. Got a big buyer stepped up there, 75s. Somebody doing something. They're doing it up there through the 80s now. Can it? How high can it go? Ruben wants 200s. 200s puts maybe 215s even. I like it, Ruben. Let's go. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, guess what? Guess what? Tomorrow we'll be back to do it all over again. Who would have thought? The show must go on. We're not gonna quit just one day. It ain't gonna be that easy. It ain't gonna be that easy, chat. You're not gonna be able to get rid of us that easy. Can't get rid of us that easy. All right, well, what do you guys think? What's lesson of the day for us? I think I'll go ahead and start. I think it's pretty clear. The trend is your friend. Don't forget it. Don't try to pick the bottom. Don't try to think you're smarter than the market. Trade the trend, make the money. Don't fight it.
Yep.
What you got?
Got to hold trades longer.
Hold trades longer.
Yeah.
I mean, you're long off the lows.
It was
Who's
pretty
that?
good.
I mean, fuck, dude. Think about that. Look at
I know,
this
yeah.
is your long off the low right there. You went long earlier at 133.
And I was proud too. I got a bunch
That's
of
50 points.
I got at least a bunch of
But why
10
did you
and
take
12
profit
points. I was just targeting 10 points. Just targeting 10, man. And then it dropped right afterwards. So I was like, okay, I'm smart. And then it popped right after that. So I know if I held it for another, 7, 8, 9 minutes, that would have been phenomenal.
Yeah. I mean, that was, I mean, when you're trading like that close to the low of day, you really are kind of trading with the idea of like, hey, you know, you got that kind of
Yeah, let it run.
that support down there, low of day. Right now, up there to the 190s. So Greg had the right idea. Get long there at the 133s, out of the 143s. It's still going higher now. Still going higher. What you got over there, Alex? How you feeling? What's the moral of the story for
Moral
you
of
today?
the story today is look for better setups and confirmation. Trend is your friend. Don't try to pick the bottom. I mean, I've traded like that
Yeah.
pretty much my whole career.
Yeah, I know.
Right?
And I was making it worse today for
Egging
you.
it
Sorry.
on. Well, like a lot of people in the chat, they listen to what you say. A lot of them.
Oh, he is putting it on me now.
blame it on
He's like,
Patrick
it
here.
is on me.
A lot of them probably take every trade that you take, which is why they're like, Pat, show your P&L.
Yeah.
You know?
Not
Are
to
you
say
in a trade
blew
or
up
you're
my
not in a trade?
account, but
And then just cutting losers way faster.
Yeah.
I mean, probably size down a little bit too.
Makes
So
sense.
every mistake that every beginner trader makes is what I have to work on. So
Hey, trust me, it ain't easy, man. There's not, people always like, Patrick, you know, like, when did you get success? When did you become successful trading? I'm like, fuck, man, there's still plenty of days where I
Yeah.
look in the mirror and I'm like, what the fuck?
what,
Am I retarded?
what happened yesterday?
I'm like, am I retarded? Am I retarded? Like, what was I doing? You know, even today, just all those fucking trying to buy the dip, trying to buy, like, why? Why? You know, just,
usually you're a trend trader. I mean, that's what you preach. You know?
I don't know. I think I was just thought I could be smart and be like, look at me, I'm gonna pick the bottom here, and the bottom's gonna be 23,200, right?
Yeah,
Like,
right.
oh, it's, I kept looking at these areas yesterday, and I'm like, oh, look, 250, we're gonna bounce. Oh, we're gonna for sure bounce off the 180s.
You were,
So-
I mean, what? You were mainly bullish on the day before market
No,
open?
I was bearish.
Oh,
Remember, I got short right at open. I made money short right at the open, like literally shorting right there when we couldn't get back above the VWAP. I got short there at open, and it was fucking, hell yeah, I'm a genius. It went down 40 points, popped back up, and then we started thinking about the longs, but we just didn't get that breakout to the upside, back below the VWAP. Once we got stuck below the VWAP, I was short again, basically below that 340s, covered at 320s. I mean,
do you usually take that first minute candle as a trade?
do I normally trade the first minute candle? I try not to. Ideally, like, not the best spot, but
But you see
I mean,
it
this short
blowing
right
in a
here, this
direction.
is fucking kind of plays into what we were talking about with me and Alex, the idea of waiting for that pullback to the to the 9 EMA. If I would have got both of my entries there at the 47s or in that area there, well, then I would have been much better off. I think this was a little bit of a FOMO, but yeah, shorting there at the 47s, covering 23s and then 20s. Definitely some room for improvement, but because again, I shorted there. We were watching that 23,300 level, and we were like, oh fuck, like, are we gonna get more of a pullback? More of a pushback up? But you can see here, like, how those two candles before my entry were getting, like, they weren't like big candles, right? They were like tight, smaller candles. So once you broke the low of that previous candle, then I was like, all right, I'm short. And again, took 10 points.
Yeah.
So there's opportunities. Shorted here at the 229s, covering into that 16s. Oh man, the coulda, the shoulda, the woulda, always like that, but on the end of the day, this is what matters. We're up 4,400 plus 2 accounts, and just battling. Felt like yesterday and today, I don't know why, but a bit of a battle, fighting the trend today. It's funny too, because like tomorrow is going to be one of those days where we're going to put a trade on, and we're all going to be like, all right, everybody, we're going to hold, right? We're going to hold.
Team
And then-
hold.
and then it's not going to go anywhere.
Yeah.
So it's difficult because today market trends, right? Market is trending lower, giving us those like setups. And then on a day like tomorrow, the market might be choppy. It might not give you those setups where, a 10-point day,
Yeah.
10-point day, that's a
We're
good
happy.
day. Make those 10 points. Be
We're
happy.
happy.
So it definitely is a bit of a battle. So
I had a 65% win rate today.
65 today. This
There you
guy,
go.
look at him.
there you go.
He's
average,
coming up.
Average trade 1 minute.
See,
Okay.
but think about it. You were at 65%, and if you would have let your winners, run a little
Outsource
bit,
the
you'd
losers.
be number 1 on the leaderboard right now.
Yeah.
But right now, you're number 0.
Number 0.
Number 0.
He's just a little tiny fledgling.
Just a little guy. Just a little guy doing it.
He's just a little guy.
So I think either way, it's 12-12. Yesterday we traded till 1, and I don't think we gained anything from trading longer. I got to go look at my new boat as well. We got stuff to do, people to see, things to work on. So yeah, lessons, right? We got some. I think we're making progress.
We're polishing
We're
it.
learning little things
Listen,
about each other,
slowly
right? We're gonna be
polishing the
better
stone,
as
right?
this continues. This is still just very, very fresh. I look forward to like maybe next week, really kind of getting it in there.
That's a good week.
Yeah.
That's a good week.
But I mean, coulda, shoulda, woulda. I think we had the right idea. The shorting idea, getting short there for the break, but the opening range low. That opening range low break from the 300s was fucking beautiful. Even the retest, I think that retest there of that 289s, you can see there, 289 retest was probably the kind of the setup of the day there for that wanting to get short opening range low. We also retested those wicks below yesterday's previous day close, below the EMAs, the 9 EMA, the 21. The blue is the 21. The green is the 9 EMA. So we're stuck below the 9 EMA. There's our short entry there at the 280s, and letting it ride lower from there. Pivot point at the 150s. So that's over a 100-point move basically from the opening range low to that pivot point. So someone said Greg got the brightest smile in the room.
Dude, loving it, right?
That's all he got of me. Look at him. That guy can't stop
Look at that.
smiling.
That used to be my
He ain't
adage.
gonna stop smiling until you no, he ain't going to, chat.
Donate $10 for the smile. $10 for who got it. Literally, as long as there's a smile on my face, everything else falls into place.
We had a
There you
sunrise driver. One of my YouTube followers, subscribers, come to the BDH, and the chat was dying
Tearing
that
on
day.
fire.
just dying. It was. I feel bad sometimes. I tell people, I'm like, hey, the chat is going to say things just to try to like get on your. They're jealous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. The chat wants to be here. They want to be where Greg is.
They
right
want
now.
this
So,
smile.
like,
I understand
they're
it.
kind of like
They want
like
the smile.
They're like jealous girlfriends.
Oh, I know.
They're like, fuck Greg,
Yeah.
man. He's got big teeth.
He's
Get
got
him
big-
out of the BDH.
Look at that fucking Joker mask.
Look at those big fucking teeth, man. Get
He
him out of here.
Should be a ventriloquist.
Get him out of here. But yeah, don't let them get to you, Greg.
Dude, I never.
They don't have goats.
Literally, I have such a happy life. I
They don't
literally,
have goats.
I have the best life. I mean, you got the next level of life, but I have such a happy and good
I'm not
life.
as happy as you are, though.
You're not fucking smiling as much.
Someone said, "What's my P&L? What's your P&L?"
My
Do the
P&L,
math. 4,439, 4,424 times 2.
mine is
It's green.
negative 48. That's
yeah, well,
it.
we don't talk
Tomorrow
about what
would
you
be
do,
better,
Greg.
though. Tomorrow would
You're a beginner. It's okay.
Fledgling.
Fledgling.
All
right, well, there it is.
Yes, we did it.
Someone said BTH, Big Tooth House. Oh, yeah. That was real funny, guys. Could have been more original.
how
Could have
quick-
been more original.
How quick can we make that shirt?
Yeah, we can make
Show-
that short real quick. I actually have the BTH already.
Do you?
Instead of the Big Tick House, you can just wear that Big Teeth House.
Big teeth.
These
Big
guys
teeth.
didn't even wear their BDH shirts today. Come
Do you
on,
know what? I can
Ginger.
wear it each day.
We got more shirts for you. No, we
Yeah,
got
I'm-
more.
I'm a
we
snagging
got
alone.
more.
I can do one every day.
All right. Well, there it is. We're back here tomorrow morning. If you guys haven't already checked out onlyprofirms.com to see what the greatest and latest deals are in the space, you know where to be. Tomorrow morning, we're doing it all over again. I promise you, it's only going to get better. We had some good trades today. We made some money. Everybody had some fun. So we're going to go. I got to go check out my new boat. I got 2 boats to look at today. We're going to film a little video for YouTube, and we'll get that all worked up. So if you guys haven't already hit the like button, subscribe button, make sure you do. And then we'll see you tomorrow back here at the BDH. My hair, man, it's looking wild. I got to get a new haircut. I'm going bald. I'm getting fat. I feel like I'm getting old.
Dude.
I thought about that the other day, or this morning. I'm like, I'm going to be 30. Look at, what the fuck is WWE doing there right now? Isn't that the golfer too?
Bryson
Next to
DeChambeau,
him?
yeah.
What is happening on TV right now? Oh, that's from July 31st.
Ooh.
You got Bryson DeChambeau and then Triple H on
Got-
TV with Trump.
Ship tariffs coming soon.
But yeah, man, I'm getting 37 years old, and I'm at that point now where I'm like, damn, I'm gonna be 40.
Dude, that's what I'm
I'm gonna
37.
be
So
fucking 40 at some point. Like, that's weird. My dad, like, we're at the age where our parents were.
oh, I know.
You know,
It
like, we're at
freaks
the
me out,
age
dude.
now where we're like
How
I'm as
old are
old
you?
as my dad was when I was a kid.
How old are you?
It's better to be
36.
37.
Okay.
Yeah.
But dude,
Raven's 13. So
The same
like,
thing, like I sneezed wrong in the shower like 3 months ago and threw my neck out for like 4 days just from sneezing. Like
I'm not that
the
old.
second, dude, you
Hey,
hit
I ain't
30,
that
just
old.
everything falls
I
downhill
am
so
not
quick.
that old, bro. This guy sneezed and threw his neck out.
It was what happened, man. You dig around the back seat,
I'm
weird,
not
you're
that
like,
old,
oh
Greg.
fuck, shit.
Not that old. Greg's a little older than
I
everybody
got
else,
1 year,
clearly. Yeah.
1 year above you. Just wait,
Fucking
all
one
downhill.
more year, I'll be sneezing, blowing my neck out. Ugh!
Exactly, dude.
Like that.
Shit. I was a
Shit.
Division I athlete too, and now look at me.
D1 athlete? What did you
Yeah,
play?
I was a high jumper, insanely enough.
Fucking hey, this
Dude,
guy.
right? I had some hots, man. I could jump
Can you
6'8".
can you jump in here and do something high?
Not anymore. You know, I sneezed and blew out my neck. You know, if I jump higher than 6 inches,
Come on.
my
we
God.
need
We
to
can-
put a little a thing. Like, what's the highest that you can jump right now?
dude. Well, 6'9" was my best. 6'9"
6'9"?
inches, dude. I could do 6'9".
Wait, just like jump?
my lower
how's that
back,
work?
my lower back goes over a bar that's
That's
6'9"
crazy.
inches. Yeah.
But you had the pole.
No, Fosbury flop. No pole. Just
No
running,
pole.
jumping. Yeah.
Can we set this? We gotta set this up and redo it at the
Fucking
BDH.
jump over the
Can you
Nissan.
drive over the? Can you jump over the Lambo? I'll go 100 miles an hour and you jump over.
Back in the day, I probably could, man.
Dude, that'd be a sick video.
We might
could
want to
do
try
that.
it.
I think chat. What do you think, chat? We could have Greg jump over the Lambo. I'll go 100 miles an hour and he'll have to jump right at the last moment.
And we'll have Mercy flight just on standby, just in case. We
no,
don't
no,
need
no,
it.
we'll be fine.
We'll be
You
alright.
could, I thought we're like 3 feet
I think
tall.
I could get through it.
I think you could jump over it.
Be all right. 100 miles an hour.
All right.
Yeah.
Friday.
All right, Friday.
Friday.
Freshcast Friday. Greg is jumping over the Lambo.
Jumping the
live
Lambo.
on YouTube. You're gonna want to watch this.
The show of the century.
You're gonna want to watch this. There it is. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. We're done. We're out of here. I'll see you tomorrow morning live at the BDH. If you enjoy these streams, let us know in the comments. We got more videos coming. And yeah, big thank you to Greg and Alex for another day of getting butt fucked by the
Debauchery.
market.
Another
But at
day
least
of
they all got
debauchery.
butt fucked together.
Yeah, there you
You know,
go.
that's what there's.
You
one,
made a lot of money.
There's one rule. Yeah, but it's just like it's not real money. You know, like I look at that money, it's like
Fugazi
it's not
money.
real.
Yeah.
Because I can only take a $2,500 payout anyway
Oh.
from those accounts. So it's like, oh yeah, look, I made 8K, but who cares? I'm just trying to make more money so I can stay in front of
That
fucking
leaderboard.
Flavio on the leaderboard.
That leaderboard cares.
Fucking Flavio, get off the leaderboard, Flavio, get off of it. Fucking I hate these leaderboards because everybody looks at my shit and they're like, oh look, he's only up
Oh, now he's-
$27,000.
Patrick, you're
He's
number
terrible.
2. You're number 3
He's
now. What are you
looking. This guy
doing?
is terrible.
I remember when Patrick was number 1.
Look at
this
that.
time.
Yeah, I'm still number 1. What are you talking about? For now, I don't know how much longer. Flavio's coming for me. Look at him. He's down there.
He's just.
Flavio watches the stream too. I think it's not fair.
That's what he does. He
He's
just,
watching
yeah,
the
he just
stream,
takes all your trades.
and he's making money watching my stream and then beating me on the leaderboard. This is fucked up. It's really fucked up.
he's dialing with
He's at a
Pelosi.
75% win rate too. I've been getting murdered the last few days. I feel like there's a NASDAQ back up there. We gotta go. I gotta get out of here. But there's the NASDAQ back up there at the 200s now.
Leave a trade open
I mean,
overnight.
I don't think any of us were bearish. Or maybe I
No,
was a little
I
bearish, but I
wasn't.
was still looking for like a bear flag breakdown. You can see how we broke out to the upside now. Up there to the 206s, 23,206 is the high from earlier, 219.
Ruben.
I'm interested to see where we end up end of day here. End of day. We've had 2 kind of bounces back up. Get into some consolidation down here, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. But there it is. I gotta run. I love you guys. We'll see you later. Big thank you for tuning in, and peace to the Middle East. Let's get out of here.
We
Let's
did
get
it.
out of here. I gotta go. Guys, I think I figured it out. ICT is confused. I don't want to say retard, but he's a retard. The point of day trading is to make money. I know he's pretty dumb, but I think he's confused, insane. Now we're friends.
Listen, anybody and everybody that's going to come and contact you, you tell them exactly what my account's sitting at. And I sat there and I pushed, and I sat there, pushed, and I fucking laid pushed, and I sat there, pushed,
Going down hard.
pushed.
Oh my
Push,
god. Little cunt. Yes.
push, and I sat there, push.
Going down hard.
Push.
Oh my god.
Push.
Little cunt. I got this. So much power. Don't worry, guys. Can you take me higher? I got this. So much power. Don't worry, guys. I know exactly how to make the market go. Winner, chicken dinner. It's hard to day trade. It's easy to sell a course. Winner, chicken dinner. If you're not making money when you're sleeping, you're not making money. Winner, chicken dinner. Literally, my girlfriend makes more money than ICT does trading. Think about that. That's fucking funny. Big drop down. Move my stop. Big drop down. Big drop down, daddy. Big drop down. Move my stop. Big drop down. Big drop down, daddy.
Push, and I sat there, push.
Going down hard.
Push.
Oh my god.
Push.
Little cunt.
Push.
Yes.
Push. And I sat there, push.
Going down hard.
Push.
Oh my god.
Push.
Little cunt. The vertigo, man. The vertigo. The vertigo, man. 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 The vertigo. Imagine if I told you that literally all you had to do to make millions of dollars is just post up online to get people to hate you, and then you can make money. Don't be telling people the secret.